How many times have I warned you not to take me for granted? Did I not? Eh? Do you think I attained the rank of sergeant just for nothing like that? Eh? Now I want to ask you again. Who took the meat in my dish?
No.
You know what is wrong with you? Because you people have never experienced the route of my military training. Which I'm going to give you now. Oh, you're on the ground. Wawo jump.
Papa.
Jump like Wawo!
Start. Shut up now.
Jump like Wawo! One. You haven't started.
7, 8,
4.
9,
I have cancelled all the ones you have done because you're playing Wayo with me.
Papa.
Start again. 1.
2, 10.
1. Where are you going? Okay, you want to run. Run, don't worry. When you finish running, you come back. And I will deal with you. Unless you're running to home.
Yang kwam me, yang kwam me yo, yang kwam ayara woke yere to ba. Yang kwam me yo, yang kwam me yo, yang kwam me ayara woke yere to ba. Yang kwam me yo, yang kwam me yo, yang kwam ayara woke yere to ba. Yang bum me, etem yang bum me yo, etem yang bum ayara wo ke yere ke to ba. Onda bum yang bum me yo, yang bum me yo, yang bum ayara wo ke yere ke to ba. Sawilka, irang emenyemme, imenyemme, ibaisa emenyemme, imenyemme, bara wa irang emenyemme. Apre wenyemme ibane menyemme o apre wenyemme o awu zawil gar azawil ga yak sana ire demme zawil ga ire demme yo ubam edem that one not drag one be that understand make we go back to the business now chai edem yes do you know that I don't tell you say federal ministry of health. You don't want say that kai smokers, you kai drinkers are able to die young, and you don't want to hear. I don't talk. Why? Are you don't listen? No. Kai drinkers way. Why they talk like this? Kai drinkers for which constitution? Which chapter? Phase what? Listen. You talk for the constitution of kai. Subsection 1 of section 2. Now so you talk. But make I talk one small one. Listen. I would like make you give me just one shot. Make I carry drink as I go drink so I go walk out for road for my business to everywhere go cray. But in a glass cup I use take this, they cannot use shot. When you talk shot, in a goalkeeper you be, you want make I take penalty. Give me one shot now. What are you talking about? Oh, you do like say you don't know. Okay, my own be say. The Ministry of Work, you talk that. Anybody with the kai, it is liable to work a lost for it. Are you Elena? Elena, wait.
Sergeant Wilberforce, 378th Artillery Brigade of the defunct Biafra Army, Sergeant of the proposed National Honors.
The lady whose voice rings like the maidens from St. Ives. The lady with the heart of a lion, but with tenderness of a lamb. Come on, give me a woman embrace. Come, let me ravish in your woman embrace.
I know one hug today.
Why not?
My Sergeant.
Yes.
Now which time this our love in Tokyo go land Gidigba for Nigeria, make you carry one and go see my people. You see? I talk you see? You don't love me at all. You just want to chop me and run. You don't love me.
Lara, I love you. So much so that I can kill for you.
I don't believe. If you love me, why delay? You just want to harvest my garden. You go throw away me like banana jacket.
Lara, I don't just want to harvest your garden. I want to water your garden. I want to fertilize it. I want to apply manure so things can grow. You understand what I mean? Yeah? But I have a serious problem. Or we have a serious problem. Or something that disturbs my heart so much.
Hey, my sergeant. Yes. My sugar. Now waiting with the problem where they chop your heart.
My children. The so-called children of mine. Those hobos, those urchins, that a woman came here and laid like eggs into my compound. Those boys I'm not sure are my kids. The way they do things now. Do you know that those boys are the cog in the wheel of our progress? Oh, they're trying to destroy things. In fact, they want to damage this relationship.
Eh? Will? Hey, where the will?
No. You say it is not that kind of will. They want to destroy the relationship which we are building, but it won't work.
So now like this we go there for house today. No, they go anywhere, no, they go work. My work not there, you know. Everybody there public holiday take care of their family. Okay. So what do you mean be say? Today we no go get any passenger or the customer no go there for road. You no go see patronizer. If it be say na true, they talk. Yes. But it still they pay me somehow. Because if we go now and go make money, that is a new way of discovery. Bad boys! This one where they move to and fro like the devil, looking for whom to devour. Tell me, now where they come back from?
No be our papa. We won't kill us with military punishment.
Oh. Hey, dear me, friend. Why this man they behave like this now? He no the difference between before and now. I get them before, no be brought back you. He no say that them. Say he no be military person or sorry, yeah, man. And where they in active service. Say he don't retire. Ajuaya. You say now who na dey so? Now me be Sergeant Wilberforce 378 Artillery Brigade of the Fang Biafran Army. Now me be that now. No be your papa again. Talk to me. Now waiting on a road that man. We him 1 kilo now with Biafran military punishment. Talk.
No, the military say we go steal meat from the soup pot.
Oh. Aye. That's a very powerful allegation. No? Powerful. That's a very powerful allegation. Serious. Guilty or not guilty?
I'll get him. We never pass to go steal ordinary meat for soup pot. We don't pass that one now.
Why you gonna waiting ordinary meat from ordinary? How me I want them to say the allegation no be true? Am I proud of it? Wait them. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to use my nose tree. Use them to browse your mouth, browse all your mouth. Then I fit know where I go get the flavor of the soup or the particle of the meat for your mouth. Oh yeah, open your mouth.
Not some people do the talk. Therefore, same to you.
Open your mouth. Make I browse them. Open your mouth.
Okay.
I don't get what will make I finish the second one. You hear any order? Oh, Abazimba! Oh, why no? Oh, you see these people? These people, them be modern thief. You hear where they are dealing? Serious? Yes, that means they are guilty of the offense that they are accused. Hey, who told them? Jesus, what are you doing? Who are they guilty? Which kind of thing it is? So what's going to happen now?
I'll get him. We'll come back. You can help us. You know, say you and our papa are friends. We want to make you help us beg our papa so that he will stop this punishment when they give us. This military punishment, make you no kill us.
Shut up your mouth there. You will go out there and commit a civil crime and run down here into the roof for me to give you amnesty. You think Nala show you? Look, let me just tell you that you will be responsible for your crime. Don't you know that meat thieving is a very, very, very bad offense? They can hang you for it. So this one way the dog say, may I go back now? How you want me to do? You go give me begging allowance.
Eh? Okay, Tim. How won't take pay you? You know be our father friend. Mister will not even get money to pay you. See, I'll get him. What you get now? Thank you very much. Don't mention. Now what we go pay you?
Now you alone they thank me, now you the answer. Thank you very much, don't mention. Well, thank you for you, but for me, I go take don't mention. Don't mention the work where they want to send me now because I don't go good. Without money, I know they go.
Eat them go down. Eat them go guys and board and gown.
Who can't get it? I remember. Huh? I know they go anyway.
What do you think about it?
You go. You go help us back.
Kai. When I see you now, I hold them back. That's the tears. The tears. I hold the tears back. Because I just the pity you. I hereby resolve by myself. For myself. For you. That after some reconsideration and afterthought, I am going to help you. Because of the relationship between me and your father. You understand?
Thank you.
I'm going to do that. And you, why did you come and sit down here and base? Like a paramount roller.
Sorry.
I am not going young, for what?
Eat them. You know these people are very dangerous. See, look at
what are you doing?
You see, you don't commit one offense. You have not been able to resolve it. We are going to the second one.
What are you trying to do?
Now, oxygen.
Oxygen.
Energy.
Very good. Energy. Energy. Your own energy. Nagai. Very soon you go to carry the deck. Before you know now, you go say you find carbon dioxide. Idiot.
You don't know what you want to do now. So now suppose repent for that thing. Bible tells say repent. Exodus phase 2. You know they read Bible.
When they go church, I be master.
What be time?
If I catch those children today, I go kill them. They sabi all the plenty prayers, why don't they pray? All the fasting, why don't they do things? Make this marriage work. Now they won't put will inside the marriage, make it no work. If I catch them today, I go finish them.
My angel, keep your wrapper on because I have an axe to grind with them too. Those boys are on our wall.
What in that one mean?
Which one?
The one you talk now.
Oh, well, it's a military jargon. You may not understand it. But it simply means absence without leave. It means that you have absconded. It means you have left the vicinity of the cantonment and you're parading within the bloody civilians arena. And it is not tolerated in military community. Do you know these boys have the temerity, the guts to go into my room, go under the bed where a nice dish full of aquatic was prepared, and they opened it and made away with the pieces of meat.
Hey!
Yes.
Those boys now thieves. You see those your boys? They be properties. In fact, they be trained criminals.
I'm not sure they're my boys. That's if they're my boys.
So, where did they now?
I don't know. All I know is that I'm going to sit here, wait within this vicinity and wait for them to come. Because Agarabu Yalo. I will wait.
Oh, yeah, where they go?
Thank you. You know,
Where the money? Where the begging money?
Huh?
Where the begging money? Where you supposed
Then
to
go pay for checks. What is the meaning of this? Huh? You dey talk, you dey waka, you dey post because you don't back pork. Come out this your hand for your waist.
Basically, one go make una
Waka
no
what?
cool down.
Waka what? Humility. Say humility. Humility. Now, waka what? Humility. Let us go and beg your father. I hereby swear through alliance. Yeah,
Eat them. Be just the collect something, come back.
Kill them today. This one where they talk only you, they work a better day, so. Why? What did they do you? No be those useless sons of Wilberforce. They won't put sand for my Gary. What did they do you? Imagine, they go tell their papa make you not marry me. If I get those boys today, they don't die. Their own don't finish. They talk like that. Yes, so. Can you imagine?
This one a serious
all
case.
the kabashing, why don't they do on top the man head says make him marry me? If I get those children, they don't die. Their own don't finish.
No vex, But if you not marry Sergeant Wilberforce, men plenty for this village now. Another person feel marry you.
No, they kill yourself because of Sergeant Wilberforce. Why you talk like that now? Now you they talk this kind of thing. How many men for this village they ready to marry wife? And you know say my Sergeant Wilberforce, he get plenty money to take care of me. Eh? Those children, they won't scatter my destiny. If I catch them, now die. Now die, it no go happen. Take them easy. Eh? They go. Take them easy. I don't hear. Eh? Make her they go. Bye bye. Bye bye.
My spirit.
What's happened?
My spirit, and they tell me, say the thing where we go face, hey? The thing where we go face for your father house. Say you go pass person body. You don't like your father, you go come out that market. Eh? When give for house, now it is for my head. As they bring her, and the person will just give on amnesty.
Beg or get him. Tell that your spirit make you know the gossip with you. No the fear. Our papa no go do you anything. Now your friend.
As you be so, eh? You know say I never born any pikin. I never do anything for this my life. Una papa, you don't get una like replacement. I mean, I don't want to die.
Okay, Tim, this one we go the fear now. You will take get small hope. If you go the fear like this, what's going to happen to us now? No fear. See, our papa no go do you anything. If you don't the fear now, we will commit crime. What you will come do? Our papa no go slap you, no go flog you, no go kill you, no go eat you, no go even throw you for air. Eh?
Okay.
Make we dey go.
May I just recharge my spirit?
Oh yeah, now recharge them. Take them well. Take them well. Hey, take more now.
You go take?
No, I'll get him. Ha. Our head not go fit carry. Now you win that. You won't go face our dad. In case if he won't raise that machete, won't use and cut us.
Hey, devil children. I don't catch you.
What?
I don't catch you.
What did they do you?
These useless children, they won't scatter my marriage for me.
Scatter with marriage?
Who? Where? When?
When I kill when I finish, when I go ask una papa.
Oh yeah, come kill them now. Come kill them. Come. You see these children, you won't come kill them. What thing they do you? Huh? When you see them walk alone, you fit touch them. But now they're under my surrender. You understand? Eh? You cannot have any right in this world to see them and touch them. For what? You say they won't break your marriage. The thing where they break your marriage, no mean you for your waist, so you walk about the shake. They fluctuate like oil price.
God don't save una today. I said God don't save una today. But if una not clear for my meat, I go chop una join. Una here? Useless children.
Thank you.
Go touch. Not touch them. Now the thing where they scatter your marriage, now be this. You want to kill these children for me, my friend children.
Thank you.
I can do for you. Waiting. Hey? Why we say everywhere we on a go and then the vessel go about the Why? Why we say everywhere we on a go? Na problem.
I'll get him. We don't know. Me self I wonder. I don't know. But saying somebody swear for us.
It is true. You don't like it, then don't swear for now.
The charge you back. But miss what if that one finish?
The battery don't charge me with the go before I run there.
Arama, mwoko bewa, ara. Uvani mambo, in 9 months time, we go come visit it. We the boy and girl, okorokoma. Everybody they cry. In 9 months time, we go come visit it. Uvani mambo.
What did they make you act like this? Good day.
You don't come.
I'll come.
You are welcome to my abode of living. Amo. So, what can I do for you? Sit down.
Okay, thank you. Now my pass way cut as they walk for road. I say make I come make repair for me.
Oh, sorry, Sorry. I could run. But God sabi something too much.
Wait, now you they talk small like that. Now you be ogak pata.
You know say Bible say give us our daily bread. Ikedieze chapter 20 verse 2. You see, I just did for my house. I just did. Nine court bring meat. We take bro come give me 7 guy job.
You mean now? Go bring my own sharp.
No worry. Where they come now? You don't get problem.
Now that God cause this impact. Hey, thank God though.
You come visit it. Oh my God. See, I'm now. Just all that one. Is
This one on my own.
now you.
My drinker.
You see this drink where I give you. I want make you drink this drink and stay very comfortable, carry no problem. No more get. You hear me?
If person tell me say you won't fit buy drink for me, I no go agree. I don't say you better person. Oh wow! Thank you.
Very they say, but small sentiment attention, small reason, small sentiment, small attached to that drink.
Ukpon talk am. I say make you talk am.
I go tell her, Mom.
Talk am.
I beg.
What do you pretend? Say my compound. It's okay. Where did you see this urchin? These stragglers. And what are they doing in my compound?
It's okay. Everything. Power. Sergeant Wilberforce of the 378 Artillery Brigade of the Defunct Army.
My friend, if you want to call it well. Not Defunct Army, Defunct Biafran Army.
Okay, I stand corrected, sir.
Where did you find these things?
Why are you doing like this? You really like carry small thing up, go far. These children, I just see them on the road. So I just decide to act like good Samaritan and bring them back to whence they came from. So I just bring them back to their father.
Who says they are my children? Show me any resemblance between me and these two things.
You deny them in public.
I resemble you now.
From where?
Small.
From where? Which nose?
See their ear. You look like you see. Okay, don't worry.
This ear look like small one gecko ear, and you are telling me they resemble me. Do you have a nose? Is this little thing that is in your face? Is that the nose? That is no.
He resemble. You know boys can't whistle, and I saw your nose there, and I saw this very one nose there too.
Are you here to insult me?
No, I'm not insulting you. They look like you small. And by the time they grow up, they look like water leaf. When they grow up, you understand, they will look like you. Yes.
Are you mad?
Sorry.
They will resemble me. How? Do you think these things will grow up? If I tell you the quantity of food they have eaten over years, 3 trailers will not contain it. And they have not grown. You think they are going to grow tomorrow?
Very small children. They bath belly.
Who they bath belly?
See them.
Is that your conception of these children?
Serious, oh.
Don't get them close to any woman, no, or that woman is going to get pregnant of twins.
Well, children.
They call them children.
Is it true, say, I know they spare woman? Sorry, I don't even know, but anyway, we'll investigate that. Let's go to the main point. The main point is, I don't carry these boys. Come back. Forgive and forget.
When you drink that drink finish, I will take you to Limpopo. Oh, funny man, baby, preach to me. I'm going crazy.
Wait.
Okay, go.
When you be bad luck.
What I do you now?
Of all the girls for this village, now me Betty, now you want Limpopo. You want up my God, Upon? Who born monkey and white bomb dog like you?
What I do you?
Want Limpopo me?
What I do you now? Wait, I do you? Okay. Oh, so small. I just say make I try my luck. See whether my luck go shine. Nine make you come to beat me black and blue like this. Wait, I do you? You be tiger. Okay, you be Jezebel.
Upon, it can't be me. Upon, now me Betty. Now you want to be good. Yeah? Go punish you, Upon. Upon, you be a fool.
Sometimes.
Hey. Sometimes, ba. Because of this coke we give me. Upon, because of this coke, now you want to pop on me, ba. God will punish you. God will forgive you, Upon. God will punish you.
I no go do that show again for you. I no go repair me again.
Go.
No repair.
Idiot.
Come on, small love. Why I say make you love me? You know, Cree. You know, we be like Romeo and Juliet. You can't you be like that. You dream and doom. Small love like mustard seed. You don't have. You see, waiting God take for Bible. Love one another. You don't cannot love. Dreamer, small love you don't get. Go. God forbid. You can't kill with that. Small love you cannot love somebody.
If you kill these boys now, who go inherit your army uniform?
The people with my own blood. These people don't even have my blood. In fact, I don't even think that they have blood in them. What is running around them is kerosene. In fact, let me tell you, I was drafting an agreement before people came.
Okay.
If ever they will come here again, that they are going to sign this agreement for me. And we are going to sign as their guarantor.
Okay. Then let us go back to the main point. Let's leave home and talk now. Who is the firstborn of the two of them to come and sign the agreement? If not agreement, no problem.
They don't burn them, they shoot them at the same time. Did we have firstborn like this? It's just like this thing, you press the two, they will come at the same time.
They no burn them, meaning they don't get birth certificate, now shit certificate.
Now you're talking.
Oh my God.
Come and sign.
Come. You look like firstborn.
It's the first punishment. Come and sign you.
Don't worry, they will not do you anything.
That's your column. Oh, yeah.
Papa, I don't know how to write signature.
You see there? You see? I don't prove serious boy in a begin. You understand? They don't know how to write signature.
Who said they don't know how to sign? These boys can sell me and sign the signature and take my receipt. They can sign your death warrant and you will die tomorrow. You said they don't know what to do. Bring money and tell them to sign now. You see? Okay, fine. Don't worry. I have a way out. Bring your hand. Shut up.
He's tickling him. That means he's a children.
He's tickling him.
Yes.
That is why to tell you, you still say that they die for bele. That's how we tickle him with women.
Hey, wonderful.
You come.
Oh yeah, you come.
Yeah. Let's your guarantor, come and bring your...
You grace? I bring which hand? I only carry this hand when I want to vote. Why are you saying I should? Am I a children?
You know how to sign? Fine, sign. This is your color.
So what is there in the signature that I'm going to sign?
You say you know how to sign. And in fact, just sign. I say bring your...
Sign what? What is there?
All the agreements. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if they breach any one of them, let him. I will squeeze your balls.
You will squeeze my balls. Are you a goalkeeper? Eh?
Don't worry. When that...
Are you a goalkeeper? But go FIFA shop or Yesi shop. Go buy a ball for you to come and squeeze. Don't talk like that.
No. You go take and replace the one to squeeze. Sign. What are you doing? Sign now. What are you doing? Are you drawing your mustache? Sign signature, my friend.
Why you like this? You don't provoke. I don't understand. Give me.
Is this a signature?
Eh?
What is this?
Not signature.
Whose signature? You're drawing your baby.
If I draw, okay, I draw my baby. If I draw my baby, now by force, I not tell you. Now me tell you, make you not carry baby. You go shave.
Leave my compound, let him.
You pushing me for your compound.
Leave my compound, let him. We don't want agreement.
No, wait. On agreement when we solve our side, when you be say you for bring guy, make we seal this agreement.
Here, tell you like a place where they say guy. Leave my place.
Go back there.
Leave my place.
You are a soldier. I was a Biafran police.
Biafran police. You are a Biafran police. Hey, wait. And what are these boys? What are these urchins?
Thing for your phone.
Ping. Which kind ping? This thing no be phone. This thing is calculation machine.
See you where they talk. You been sabi say this thing na calculation. Yes na. Who don't know wetin be calculator?
Oh, you see, you sabi wetin you sabi use am.
Yes na. No be ordinary 1 + 1 in the carry and do. Na see am.
Give me. I wanna forget the matter self. May we talk better matter.
Nah, your Baba, I can't ask you how you take waka with him children, sef.
Sergeant Wilberforce.
Shoe? Abi, you get another Baba where they check you where we sabi. Nah, Sergeant Wilberforce of the 378 Artillery Brigade of the Default Biafran Army. Anyway, I can't know how you take the waka with the children, sef.
Me, I never use this my two I see the children. Now in my boo tell me say, make I forget, I'll forgive them.
But like that, eh? What did those children do you? Huh? What did they do you? We won't make you destroy them like that.
Huh? Those children won't come out meat for my mouth. How? Those children go tell my sergeant, my boo, say make you not marry me.
Ah, why now? Maka why? Eh? It's your hammer. Oh.
As a soldier's son, you must be very agile and alert all the time. That is why if I come out in the morning, I do my parade, I salute, I do my exercise. Now that is by the way. I want to ask you, why are you insisting I should not marry the girl I want to marry? I want you boys to give me your reasons now.
Papa, you know me say you not gonna marry the girl, oh? Karamabi? Yes. Papa, what he meant is that you have to wait for us to grow before you go and marry another person. Yes.
I have to wait for you to grow up. That I will have to wait for you to grow up?
Yes, nah, because when you marry that girl, he will not allow you to take care of us again. This person that you want to buy, the lady that you want to marry, she's not even from our place.
Therefore,
why not to marry somebody that is from our place here?
Who are you? Who are you urchins to order me, Sergeant Wilberforce, on who to marry and who not to marry? I have to wait for you to grow. Grow, you have refused. You eat and go down instead of going up. Listen, whether you people like it or not, I am marrying that girl. There's no good. Come rain, come shine. Nothing is going to stop it. In fact, as it is now, I'm going to her house. Let the heaven fall. Because I have the two of you. In fact, I'm not preparing. I am going straight up. Now,
okay, don't worry. Go. Unless you will marry the woman and go and live in another place, but not in this. Let him prepare, so we'll see by our own, is that?
Abang na mi ure me o zendanio. My body. So na like this you go there for house. They saw something. No, come out go road. Go see customers and people. We go give you money, so crowd for you.
Alara that's yamo. At the house. By the way, before I forget, I should have come out too. Go buy soup tin. Go buy soup tin come so that we go prepare soup.
Wait now, we didn't talk like that. You know, remember that first time, the other time, we been cook afang soup for this house. Now we been go buy those condiments, buy everything. We come go afang soup, put a buy nang and yak ice. You don't do. So now you are done now to bring money, my go buy thing come.
Now you're done to go and buy condiment now. Why they do like this? You do the ask you for money.
Why they do like this now? Okay, you want make me? I go bring money 2 times, 2 times 2. The other time, no maybe do am. I beg go bring money come. If you don't bring money, I go vex so.
Look, the thing beside hungry. Before I come work this work finish now, hungry go accelerate to the bar of you. May I just give you money? You do like argue all the time. I don't say that poverty that they worry you.
Every time.
Make it be said
Nana, we don't lie. You only them a war. Nana, we don't lie. You only them a war. I mean, I don't fuck every couple days. Go fuck every couple days. Go bring money, man. Go buy. That is a small money. Drop inside.
Yeah.
Go buy the condiment and make sure say you don't come back quick so that night no go come. Make we
No
go.
wahala. You don't get brand of Gariba. Right, go, eh? Don't worry. May I go come back, eh? Take care.
Oh, so now what you want to do now?
You dey ask me. You dey ask Lara what she want to. As you see me, so my eyes dey chook. My body dey hot. Anybody wey go talk say I no go marry my sergeant, the person own don finish. I go scatter the person.
No day to now you.
But Lara, those boys they para. Eh? You go, they manage them well out. They follow them small.
Which kind small? Those boys wey wan spoil my show. As they wan spoil my show, me Lara, I go pour sign inside their garage.
Otto, why those children they poke nose into their papa affair? I mean, they fear your face.
But you go hold the man so tight. Hold on well out. Because if you just fuck up, they go just scatter you.
Why you dey talk like this? You don't know me again.
Well, I trust you.
You don't
I trust
me.
you.
I hold the man tight.
I trust you.
I
I
hold
don't
am
believe you, Lara.
I know you well. I hold the man
trust
tight.
you. Make we see wetin.
Wetin dey worry you?
I dey calculate my money.
You dey calculate your money. Make we see wetin dey right.
No see.
Okay. Betty, where we dey go?
Oh yeah,
No,
we
don't
don't
try.
try. We don't
No,
try.
that wait small.
No, don't try. Hey, where we dey go?
My sergeant.
My darling, my sweet angel, how are you? Good afternoon. How are you doing?
We don't dey go.
I hope I'm not the one pursuing you.
No, sir.
Okay?
Welcome, sir.
That's all right.
Sergeant Wilberforce, 378 Artillery Brigade of the Default Biafra Army.
Sure, sir.
I'm impressed. Scatter your legs. Ajuwaya, if you understand the jargon. Right, ladies, I think you people are going to be invited another day that I am going to celebrate Ladies' Day for you.
Thank you,
You
sir.
understand? It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please bang it on your door.
I know sabi o.
Are you expecting a visit?
No.
My enemies are TTK. My enemies are TTK. What have I done? Go outside there. Yeah? Go outside there. And go and cook. Go and make water.
Yeah. Here. No. Me, Lara, go outside there and go and comb. No, I no wan comb my hair. If to say I wan comb my hair, now inside this place I go be comb am well. I no dey go outside there.
That's not what I mean. Eh? My ginger, what I mean is, just go outside and cry out and see whether anybody still around. For safety. I'm telling you as a seasoned military officer.
Now wetin you mean again? What? Why you go tell me say make I go outside there? What make they catch me for kidnap?
They call your name, they call my name, they say they needed sergeant. Wilberforce, nobody's calling you, just go there. Break it.
You sure?
Just if the coast is clear. You hear? If the coast is clear. Go. Go. My name is Aki.
Sergeant, make you come out o. Coast don clear.
Are you sure?
Oversure dey worry me.
Come out. There's no way this people are operating. You see, with all these blocks now, they can hide behind that very block. and tell you that, you know what? Go behind, peep. See you when the coast is clear.
Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of problem be this? Where these people no go allow me make I enjoy my man? Eh? Hey!
This one, this one will never come back from market. Hope you know we say what that wrong pass carry on.
No small thing. No small thing. Wait.
What's happened? Why they run like this, like Olympic? What's happened? Yeah?
Body don't know where they come. Robber, big robber. Boy, no go song. Wait him. No be say as they come back from market return, buying of food material, they come back house, make we come cook job. Now come see big robber, them come back with big gun, they shoot. I just put my now so I take escape. I like escaper, come back reach house.
I don't hear the gun shot.
You know hear the sound?
Eh?
Them no shoot gun.
Waiting in the dog now. 1 minute you said and they shoot go. I even they feel them for my body. Yeah? The next minute you said and they shoot again. Which one is the dog?
Them no shoot gun, but them collect the material for food.
Ugbang, you know this I know when you they lie.
Waiting I know be say you should be happy for my precious life. When I carry my precious life come back to the house, Amo, we won't put a message.
Ugbang na Drew, but this one another style of Drew where they dog you. Eh? Ugbang the arm robber will collect you food stuff. Eh? Food material. Eh? You know kill you. That arm robber na cook.
I don't know whether they be cook. But
waiting. Tell you your life precious.
So you don't know say now for 6 feet behind the ground.
You can tell me how your life precious to me now. As you come back now, we're hungry, they catch me. Waiting I won't carry you, you are useless. I'm waiting I won't carry you now. I go eat you, I be shrine. Go bring food, man. John, all this one way you use the room. You for just die for that road. They for just kill you, make them bring my food material.
You say me for die, make it waiting you carry food do if me I die.
Waiting concern me. After I just eat, when I be full finish, I go mourn you. But I do 1 minute silence for you. You right? May your soul rest in peace. Now you alone. Now you be the first person where I'm robber don't kill.
Instead of you to be happy, the things say whether and how me I didn't survive. Hey, them go and borrow. You don't know how I didn't survive the arm robber. You gone to do food material.
Nice, like we came out early. By now they would have been clean. How? No way. I sabi Papa. By now, if I go don't catch up. Don't worry, go see if I go don't catch up. I not tell you. Papa, now you be this.
You're an idiot. How can you ask me such a question? Do I look like a ghost to you?
Papa, this way they breathe like said you just go to 200 meters. Who they pursue you?
Man, I want to tell you people, your father is in danger. My enemies are after me. Do you understand that? I want you to help me. I wouldn't have even told you because I know that you people are always very mischievous. But if you don't want to lose your father, help me to plan for your father's safety.
Papa. You see, some people came here looking for you. Thank you. Yes. They said they are kidnappers. Mom.
Kidnappers? Yes. Came here looking for me.
Yes.
You know what is going to happen now? If anybody comes to look for me here, tell them that your father is on Owoh.
On Owoh?
Yes, it is a military terminology. They will not understand it.
Papa, I need lie now, 10,000.
I am not telling lie. What I am feeding you is creativity. Listen, that is how to do surveillance. So do your father, you want your father to die?
On Owoh?
Yes, on Owoh.
10,000. 10,000.
Okay.
On Owoh?
Yes. 10,000.
10,000.
Hey, don't worry, we'll discuss the business as soon as I go. Just protect me. This is intelligence.
You're on Owoh?
Yes,
Now which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of nonsense be this now? Eh? Why these people no want make I enjoy my life? Which kind of useless kidnapper be this? Even I do this. Eh?
If you try to run, now you be say he go shoot. No joke with those soldiers. Oh, soldier never die. You know the tire lie. It's strong kakaraka. You know the fear face. For who, for where? Oh, soldier know the fear. Oh, soldier never die.
Eita. Eita. Eita.
Oba.
Now waiting you come the sit like this. Like person where the wife don't die, then one do lying instead. Why?
Oba, how my face go bright? How me I go there happy? When he be said there is no food for his house.
Point of collection. Point of collection. Food there is house.
Which kind of food?
Rice there is house. Curry there is house. Even yam there is house too. Small yam.
You just the dog like small pikin. How carry yam they concern waiting at the dog now? For all those your list where you dog, you don't put soup.
What are you doing about? Soup is not food. That is why I don't include food soup in that list. Those one why I talk name be food.
Curry without soup. It is exactly like husband without wife. Then do no complete. Incomplete metamorphosis.
This one why they talk no be useless. That curry where they very important amo. By the time if you use your mind, carry water, follow that curry, follow before you go reach revelation, you go see say you go complete. It's either you go ring the curry or you smoke the curry. No problem. Me say if I go smoke am.
All this one why I just they tell you make you agree, make I go collect my food from all those criminals. We carry my food materials, you know agree. Oh yeah, allow me make I go, you know agree. Come make two of us go, you don't still agree. I don't know which one you do.
Eatem, you don't know that kind of thing where they talk, where they propose, that kind of thing where they propose now. Now suicide mission, Mira, you don't know now suicide mission. Can you go and challenging the armed robber? Can you catch bullet immediately? Can you fight them? Where they go?
I go find food.
For where?
Anyway.
Eatem, I don't want to cry. Oh, and you me do a euro garado, but me them vote. But you got the phone carry me so what you go for me. I don't think they are you come any kwanga.
Sometimes it's sweet like sugar.
Lara. Now where they go where your face put to like this?
I dey. I dey go see my man.
Oh, Sergeant Wilberforce. John, sir. So now so your face they beef they go see your man. I been a fight they go fight.
Uju. Now some people they make me vex. Some people won't pour sand inside my garri. My man come my house make he see me. Now some people come knock for door. Say they be kidnappers, they want kidnapping him.
Kidnappers quoi?
Now my man run come off for house. Without he won't give me anything.
Come easy now, no be your man you go dey vex for. Now the kidnappers will come make am fair. Now you go dey para for.
I don't know.
Lara.
God, I thank you for your daily bread. Thank you. Oh, DJ, track 3. Oh, baby, pull up and no, baby, pull up. African baby, pull up and oh, baby, pull up. Bang, pull up and no, baby, pull up. Agwai bum baby pull bang. Agwai bum baby pull bang you. Baby pull bang. American agwai bum baby pull bang you. Baby pull bang. Oh baby pull bang no. Bang 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 pull bang. But agwai bum baby.
Sometimes it's sweet like sugar, sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love baby, either girl or hero. Sometimes it's sweet like sugar, sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love
Yes, yeah. I talk to you. I just see you. What's your name?
You don't know me before.
I know you, but I am always afraid. It's always catching me to come and talk to you now in that kind of mood. My name is Iheme, and I'm from Ikedieze, and I am a fashion designer by profession. Yes.
I know you now. Who don't know you for this village?
Okay. So what is your nomenclature?
Well, since you won't know me, my name now Ujunwa. Uju baby. I dey stay for this village. No leave, no transfer.
Kai! This girl, you will not kill person. You will not kill person. Kai! You're fine. I want to ask you a question. I want to express myself and tell you from the bottom of my heart that I want to toast you.
Toast quoi? Abi bread?
No, Nang, you're not bread. But as you are now, you are sweeter than bread. Kai! As you are now, as I see you, you are like bread of life. If I see you, I can never be hungry again. If I have a taste of this, your waist. Kai! Where hunger go there for my life? Yeah? Oh, look at you. You are a sugar, only sugar in my tea. In the bottom of my heart, I love you. Just look at how ants are fooling your body. Don't you know that ants follow sugar and you are a sweet girl? That is the reason why ants is everywhere around your body. Yeah? Look at you. I want you to be the managing director and chief executive officer of the office of my heart. I want you to be the president and vice president, the senate president of the Federal Republic of my heart. I give it to you. My heart belongs to you, not yours, my heart. My intestine, my lungs, my rib, every skeletal system, I give it unto you. Take it. Not be like saying in a church, but take it. In Jesus' name. Yes, that is why I say I want to check you. May you accept my checking? Please? Because if you don't accept my checking, there are very many trees in this village and many rope. I will hang myself. In fact, I want to hang myself.
You never reach. See,
Agree now.
See, I will go house. I will go think about them. Then I will give you reply. You never reach for you to kill yourself now. Because as to be like this, me self, I like you too.
You mean I don't always like emotional brefulong. Don't deceive me. You mean
Why they go? I go give you reply.
This girl, you will kill somebody. You will kill person. Say, say.
sometimes it's sweet like sugar,
Look at her.
sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love baby,
Thank you for judging me.
wanting tea.
Why not they look me like ghost? Una never see me before.
Be like,
Here. Okay. So una no sabi to greet senior people when una see them.
oh, somebody follow you.
Chineke me. So I no reach like where una go greet me, abi?
Okay, wake up.
Where una papa dey?
Now reachable.
Meaning,
Out of service, not available. Try again later.
hey, Ha! Now me una use the do yeye. Eh? I come here to ask you about una father, my man. Una use me, they talk anyhow, they do yeye.
Now what why you don't tell us? So I don't hear this one. We don't tell you about of the if it's self. We don't even know whether I avoid the house of self. We don't know self.
So where you go?
Now who they ask that kind of question? We be our Papa watchman. No, be SSS.
Now me una they talk like this. Wait. Una look me finish, they talk to me like that, Abi.
Me.
Wait,
Because,
make my papa my road.
What is happening here?
Nothing. Oh. Nothing.
Did you say nothing?
Yes, sir. Nothing.
Liars, they are lying. I come here to look for you. Now in this your useless sons carry me the do Janglova.
Janglova.
What?
There's no Janglova here.
So it's a challenge between the two of us now. Between me and the two of you. Now, come and pick me.
There's no Janglova here.
Pick me. Come here, pick me. Next time when you should come here, you joke with that.
Thank you, my dad.
Don't mention. Come, let us enter the house. If you raise up your leg or bring it down, you will be in trouble. Come, don't worry.
So, this girl don't finally succeed, Abi. Succeed for where? Lie. See. Hello? Who be you? You're looking for kidnappers? Hey. You're looking for my papa? Wilberforce. Okay. He's at home with his girlfriend. If you want to see him, come now. Yes. He's there with his girlfriend. Okay.
In 9 months' time, we go come visit it with a boy and girl. That is 2. Whoa, arara. With a boy and girl. We go come visit it.
Twins.
In 9 months' time.
Twins.
We go come visit it. Whoa.
Yes.
This one that you are happiness, jollification, and jolly dead coming back. So what is it?
I don't win jackpot. I don't win jackpot.
Glory be to God Almighty, the great job of heaven and earth. Thank you, we really don't win.
Yes.
Oh my
I
God.
don't win jackpot.
Adam,
You already fought.
Adam, now how much will you win?
Jesus. Jesus. Forget about the cash. I win jackpot for kind.
You mean you don't win in okay, where the kind keep where they keep for the jackpot where you win?
My jackpot don't work go in Papa house. And go come back later.
Adam,
Yes.
na person.
Yes, now.
Adam, who give you person give for jackpot?
Na person, woman person. My jackpot na Larissa.
Who give you woman person give for jackpot winning?
Waiting. If you see my jackpot na very solid. Agbong baby, powerful. I tell you, my jackpot very, very, very beautiful girl and fight well to my emotional health.
You mean say this morning you smugglingly and sneakingly outside this morning, since morning to go and toast a woman. You come back empty hand. Now that one, how much will that toasting go bring come?
See, na small for dogs they see regret. Which kind nonsense be that? From the look where your face now, na yellow see.
It's not yellow. I don't yellow anything no more. It's not a yellow. See why they do. I'm talking about the true thing. Hey, we're gonna give you word.
Okay,
so what
fine.
are you going to eat from the toasting?
See, man, tell you, see that girl? Oh! Can you never see me na know me? Oh! That girl only a piece of eye like this, why I feel touch. I know go just feel like to eat again. She really like the bread of life. Eat! And you shall never be hungry again. Maybe. Waiting concern me, anytime when I get that girl, I don't go eat food again. All my appetite, it don't go. Serious, I got it like Mandela. I don't get appetite again.
Eat them. I don't like that thing where you roll. I don't like that thing where you roll. You come on, leave this house now. Go to find girl.
If it is not armed robbers, it is 419. If it is not 419, it is kidnappers. Yeah? When can somebody be free in this place?
Hey. Hey, the one and only Sergeant Wilberforce. I throw a salute.
My friend, if you want to call my name, call it with respect and complete it. Sergeant Wilberforce of what? Okay. 378 Artillery Brigade of the defunct Biafran Army.
Sorry for that galoptious mistake.
Hold your sorry. Complete the sentence.
Okay. The Sergeant Wilberforce of the number 378 Artillery Division Battalion of the defunct Biafran Army. I salute you, sir. What?
Chase out.
The one-man army destruction. The Cobra strike of the environment.
Of everyone.
Now that you people are here, I hope all is well.
Yes.
No.
What do you mean by yes, no?
Okay, like I better me for you, I better me for, but if yes no work, no go work.
Which one do I choose?
All of the above.
None of the above.
Listen, let me tell you. I do not have time for bloody civilians like you. If you don't have anything to say, in my compound.
Your blood they hot you. You cook am for pressure pot. Calm down now. We get something to do about.
Say it and stop wasting my mind.
We have very important thing to do about it. Very important thing.
Talk about that one, let me hear.
Those boys, you say I catch them today. Their father for no sabi them again.
So those boys them do you these things where they tell us?
Those boys do me shaggy. I run 440, jump, fall for ground. See my body now, I wound myself now. I fall flat for ground. Now in that I can't see them, they can't there. They laugh me. But now what they do those boys say? What they wrong with them? Those boys. It be like say they get spirit of stubborn inside them. They get a move.
Their papa no one carry them go deliverance. They carry them go now.
They need down wella. I go tell them. Lara, I hear say those people where they catch people, then they call for phone, say then they find your man. Not true. Those ones. What did they call them again? Kidnappers. Kidnappers, they pursue my man up and down.
Hey! Wahala. What do you do them now?
You no do them anything. You no do them anything. Now the sons of devil will won't deny me husband. You sure? Why not if not? You no do them anything.
What I understand is that you need money from me for your business.
Yes.
How much do you want?
The kind of money where I want, I don't know whether you can be able to approve that money because the money is very too big.
Will you tell me like the amount you need? Leave my compound if you know, cannot tell me. Okay. How much do you need?
Okay, calm down.
All right, leave.
5.
Leave my place.
2,000.
You need 2,000.
Okay, yes. My own 500 naira.
That's what you should have said. I'm somebody who works with military precision. I don't like all this rigmarole. Do you understand what I'm saying? So when I ask you something, you tell me. Wait, I'm coming.
tell say you need 2,000 naira. Shut up your mouth. You just talk.
Uju, I happy for you. I dey very happy for you.
You mean now?
Yes. Betty, you know they happy for
I
her.
dey happy for you now. Eh?
I never give a respond though.
Why? No try am, no think am at all. Run, go tell and say you don't agree. If not, he will change his mind.
Okay, I go see him tomorrow. If I see him, I go tell him say I do.
Yeah. I happy for you well. I bet make we go inside. I get soup and dry. Make we go chop inside.
Better say if I go leave this one later.
I know they hungry.
Why?
Make me I'll over hungry. I beg no go eat. Just know what eat.
I won't go see my friends somewhere.
I be get
Go see
plan.
tomorrow.
Oh yeah, now. See you tomorrow.
Kill somebody today. Hey! I must kill somebody today. No, I'm not talking to you. Stop running.
No problem. We not run you now. You are not a dangerous person. We just the joke, like exercise.
Okay, we go
Yes,
manage
we-
like that. We go manage as we did.
said
Forget
no,
the money. Yo, no.
No. Give the money. We did.
Oh, poor boys. These devils. God, why did you give me this? I'm going to kill one of them, or in fact, two of them today. Try to take permission so you do not regard it as murder.
How?
Bedi.
Hey!
Bedi.
Eating the international tailor.
You can
Wait,
say that again. You can say that
They
again.
run cat like this.
I don't run kati for what? Huh? No be masquerade. Nine pursue us since we dey Zion Weber for house.
Hey, masquerade for real.
He pursue us. Gone reach here.
Hey.
See am.
Masquerade.
Huh?
Where he dey?
Even there.
You dey come here?
Yes.
Oh me, make you not catch me. Oh me.
Okay. I don't hold you. I don't hold you.
Oh me tight.
I don't hold you.
You dey come
If
here?
I hold you past this, you go there like say you be thief. I don't hold you. Sorry. No look that side. No look. Woman no dey look masquerade. No woman no dey look masquerade. You understand?
Now where Papa talk say we will not be children again, we don't deny us. The team say we dey treat them from today, we dey treat them like stranger. Yeah. After all, everything we get now, we get that. So in money, our money too. Yes. And because everything we get now, we get them now. So if you take them, do something or that person or give them people we no get, God no go first for us. Even if you want first, go first small. No, yes. True talk. Bros. Come.
Me?
You ask me? Who not there too? No be you are the ask, say make you call, you dey ask me, they call me.
What's not doing now when I want beat me now?
Who want beat you? Who fit? Who not dey beat anybody, who no fit.
I sabi you now. I beg, leave me, make I go and myself.
See, now you dey cause the problem now. Small town people gonna complain, say, we dey stubborn, we dey do this, we dey fight, we fight you. No be just come, now you no wan come. Now you go cause some more. If you come, we no go beat you, but if you no come, Satan go come enter inside, come dey tell us fight. Now that time we go begin beat you.
You sure you're not going to beat me?
Yes,
True to.
to God. Some fresh one, and that you go and chop.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Don't make sure. See, if you go, tell all those your friends, tell them say, make them begin come, make them come. Go tell them, party Saraka, Okay. Let them. See, better one thing, we for not use this money buy bread, Why? Because this bread with the share now they give people the share. Papa go see him, and he go sabi say we thief the money. Now true talk, we talk.
See, it go good if they keep this money, they keep them. Carry the money when you don't big, we carry the money. Go share all these children where the papa and mama don't die. When they suffer, we just carry and go dash them, give all of them. That's why we could keep the money, make our papa come carry the money, come go marry this lady, bring her inside, come they feed them, when she they fat they go. Huh? You better say we use them. That's the public.
Yeah. So that when you go marry and come die, you no go see money to
no
chop
money
again.
chop again.
By that time, don't use all the money to Saraka.
Straight.
Saraka. Give.
Give.
The share am.
Better self.
No, sorry, it's okay.
Enter room locked door.
Enter room locked door, Naziru, you. Calm down. Environment too hot. Where are you?
Go inside.
It's okay. You don't pass there.
You know here. You should know there. Yes.
No, go there. Sit down. Feel free.
I don't want me to catch
It's okay. I
Go
know.
inside house.
I know.
We'll go inside and lock door.
No problem.
Make you no catch us now.
Don't worry. Make we there here. Inside hot. Yes. Hold me, yeah. Don't worry. No any masquerade welcome. I go just kill him. I say self-defense. You don't know me. Did it? Yes.
Why men no they look for the side of the people where love them?
Why men never look for the side of the people who love them? They say, their eye they bend them.
How eye they pain now?
Yes, they and woman. You find woman, man not look up. Nang eye they bend them now. Yes. Say.
Hate them, come see something. This ain't bo.
You dey like my brother.
Tell him say you there with person.
Ogbong. Then tell me, make I tell you, say they with person.
Hate them, which kind nonsense person be that? Now with that one. Now Queen Elizabeth the second way you with.
Hey, Ukbong. Now me they call nonsense. No, Ukbong. Now me Betty. Now you call nonsense.
Temper terrorism with mercy. Calm down.
You don't do baptism, come change your name to nonsense. Okay, if you be nonsense, make your name be nonsense.
Sit down.
Ukbong, honey, leave me.
I can't leave you.
Hey, Ukbong, go dig her out now.
You no go fit dig anything out. Now my house be this. Hey, I'm making boss on them. I'm making borrow. You no go fit do anything.
You want try me?
This girl.
Ukbong, you want try me?
Make I go inside.
What? Sorry. Why you? Sit down.
Me.
As you sit down like this, you
now?
know with you. I'm gonna over love.
You can show this idiot. This is an Ojogo,
Karama, Ojogo Kaigeso. Mone jeje mona nana omo fakaigeso. Ojogo, Karama, Ojogo Kaigeso. Mone jeje mona nana omo fakaigeso. Ojogo, Karama, Ojogo Kaigeso. Mone jeje mona nana omo fakaigeso. Ojogo, Karama, Ojogo Kaigeso. Mone jeje mona nana omo fakaigeso. Ojogo, Karama, Ojogo Kaigeso. Mone jeje mona nana omo fakaigeso.
Uju don't finish you. Uju don't carry your name waka for the whole village. They tell them say you dey force and make she love you. And she no be your class. No be that one they pay me. The one where they pay me, where they tear my heart, be say, Uju they call you ordinary dua tailor.
Meaning?
Chere were now. Wait and take tailor. Come carry illiterate join them. Would you say you be illiterate? Would you say you no sabi anything? Would you say you no get money? You dey very poor. You say you no be her class.
Me, yeah. All those costs for my head.
I say like I can't tell you because of the love I have for you. But if you don't love me, I'm gonna kill myself now.
God forbid. God forbid.
God forbid waiting.
God forbid I'm not gonna love you back.
Okay. But not be because of this thing make me come. But if you decide to love me now, I go love you with my whole heart. Carry this heart. Bam. Give you.
You mean that?
Yes, now.
You mean that? Oh, you don't kill me.
Don't kill you. But me, I did here too.
You don't kill
Make
me.
your life again.
It's alright, thank you. Thank God say you're here. Eh? I will love you. As a matter of fact, let me go inside and go and bring drink to seal this love.
Okay, good now.
You see my own love. You know the good make I start. Because if I start my love now, put them for gear. Now the whole community, now sacrifice, they go take sacrifice me, make I leave you.
You mean
They there now. Just wait and see me.
Hey, them now waiting me that. Hey, them. Why you go come out my ring? Who gave you the permission? Who gave you the from them to go carry my ring? Why I won't use that ring? Can I relax myself? Hey.
Oh, soldier never die. You know the tire lie. It's strong, kakaraka. You know the fear face. For who, for where? Oh, soldier, know the fear. Oh, soldier never die. You know the tire lie. It's strong, kakaraka. You know the fear face. For who, for where? Oh, soldier, know the fear.
My sergeant! My sergeant!
What is it?
Hey!
Why are you running like someone being pursued by a cheetah?
Waiting they pursue me, eh? He passed that thing where you call now.
Cheetah?
He passed him.
What will be bigger than cheetah that's pursuing you? All right, come. Take a sip of this. That will relax. Come on. Take a sip.
He bitter, oh. He bitter.
That is the drink for great men, so he has to be bitter. Now tell me, what did you say is pursuing you?
Ha! Not be me. Now your useless sons. They dey for village road. They scatter money and bread like Jesus Christ and 5,000 people in the Bible.
My children,
Ha!
you are telling me lies.
True.
Where?
Ha!
My money. My money. Where?
For village road.
Okay, wait.
Those useless ones. Now so they scatter bread, scatter money like Jesus Christ and 5,000 people for Bible.
I know that. Come on. You don't touch, I don't touch you. Come for that place. Come for that place. Hey, give me that.
You don't start again.
Come on. Hey, give me that ring. Give me that ring. Hey, give me that ring. Give me that ring now. Yeah, Grace. Give me that ring. Come on, fire. Wait. You don't collect the drink.
Honey,
Eh?
I will finish this one.
Finish up.
Leave me, make I finish this
As
boy.
you know what?
If you see me for road tomorrow,
Hey, forget that thing where they do. Leave that thing where
I will
they do.
finish this boy.
Finish up.
Honey,
I disown him, he's not my brother again.
Yes, you don't see. You don't see what you get across. Now conspiracy it is. Now conspiracy.
So it is true. These boys have been sharing money and bread. Huh?
We were standing here sharing money and bread.
So this is true. I can see the evidence. Oh my God. What have I done to these boys? These boys went into my safe, took my money, and were sharing to the villagers. Okay, Kamefa, what have I done to them?
My sergeant, do you want me to help you catch them?
Look, those boys are very slippery. I have tried everything in the books to catch those boys, but they are there. You don't know them.
My sergeant, we will do them. The more you look, the less you see.
Which is?
True African way. Juju way.
Does it work? That one doesn't work.
My sergeant, it works. Trust me, I'm a strong woman. We'll help you. I will help you catch them red-handed. You hear?
Juju. All right, you know what? Let us go home and discuss it. But I'm yet to get them. I will eventually get these boys.
80.
Yeah.
See, no we say we go to sit down for us like this as we dey so. They do our work. They work this work. You know what to do. Just sit down one place and relax for us. When the people were there, everybody no say we there for us. They do this work. They go to bring work, they come. Bring work, they come. We go to work, they get money. That go we all work on them.
See, home service is cool. I tell you. Home service is very cool. Because by the time they come, no say we get office for you. They go bring money, come our money, our bank account go rise up. But outside there, away work. Oh God, it ain't like football away, you go lose. You will serve.
Hey, now the first time we deal about something we could, we support my idea with this. You know, even me, I dey work out. I work out till I will come back with yours 10 naira.
You're no good now. It's not fair. You understand?
I don't know. I don't.
Uyo, Mr. Uyo.
That's him. I agree to, or you just the phone busy for me.
Uyo, they call you.
Yes, sir. You don't like say fly, sir.
Now you they say, you know, see you won't use microscope.
No mind, I the phone busy for me.
My friend, shut up your mouth there. It a grace? I follow my brother the deal. You come to put your mouth inside our deal. You really gay. What kind of nonsense? But if I count 1 to 4, by the count of 1 to 4, at the final count of 4, you don't come out for you. I tell you, I'll just bundle you come out for you. You don't want to come out by yourself. Now ambulance, now go come carry you. You go just see ambulance driving to this compound. Beam, real. Then hold brakes. Yeah. Hold you. Carry you in the inside. Come on, you grace.
Why now? Why you can't vex with you? Why they talk like that? They vex with you. They vex which kind of anger be that?
The vex is kind of vex for me now.
I tell you, man, you know the dog put inside my brother dog. The dog again. Is it my anger? It gets station. When my anger turn into annoyance, and when my annoyance turn into the last stage, vex, you are it.
Hey, them waiting happen with you now. No, your girlfriend again. Why they vex?
Who the girlfriend?
Why they?
Why they vex?
Why they vex
You?
like this? Now what's happen?
Hey, them waiting happen now.
You dey follow me to question and answer. You dey follow me to question and answer. No be so. Just wait there. Just wait for a minute. Now this is going to carry tell you bang you.
Hey, them wait. You waiting you room, my brother. No be say you don't go to adultery for outside or making cash you.
Yeah, confused, sir.
You stop. You go get your way. You stop. For what? Leave.
Hey, them don't do like that.
Man, I don't know what.
Why you want disengage the engagement where you don't engage now?
Grace. Disengage the engagement. If I want disengage any engagement, I go engage this bottle into your skull. And before you know it, this skull will be fully engaged with all this bottle. You grace?
What are you doing about?
What are you doing about you, man?
You didn't do like this now.
Look at this girl. Look, let me just tell you,
Gusto ino we yibo. Gusto ino we yibo.
For what?
Is that not your love?
By the time you come here, if you come to this place, you will know that I can react.
Don't do that. Take a what are you doing about? You come to do like that with your girl. Your girl will love you. You love the girl. You won't break the head.
No, I'm not interested in this your fetish babalawo and whatever they're doing. You know, I've never been interested in it.
My sergeant, this one why they tell you, he gets too much power for him juju. He go help you catch those boys like this, red hand.
Lara, what are you talking? A seasoned soldier like me, a seasoned and rational soldier, to go outside and ask a bloody civilian to come and help me fight my enemy. It is incongruous. It is blasphemous. It's against the norms and the ethics of military profession.
Okay. I go for you.
Well, if you like, go and meddle with your fetish this and your babalawo.
No, I know they go to meddle. They go to bring enemy kasha medicine. We go help us catch those your useless boys. Eh? We do give us worry for this house.
Well, if you like, I mean, like I said, I'm not interested in this thing. I mean, I'm a soldier by blood.
But you know, say you go give me money for transport and money for material.
You know I will always give you money for transport. I don't, irrespective of where you are going, I can always give you. If you want to go to her now and ask me for money, I will give it to you.
My sergeant.
You
my
see,
sergeant.
my Lara, even when I don't want to smile, you have a way of making me. Eh? Hey, room temperature.
Oh, you now wow. Na big wa, na plenty wa. No be one wa be this.
True to God, I no talk all these things where him talks I talk. I no talk all these things. Let him see me for road the other day, toast me. Now I tell and say I won't go house, go think am. Now the reply now I come to give am, so I don't come to tell him say I don't grieve for him toast. Now he come to accuse on my head like say I be thief.
Do you? Don't worry. You see this thing? Now your enemy cause am.
Enemy? I don't get any enemy now. I don't get any enemy.
Error. Listen, make I tell you. No be all your friend where you kid. We be friend. You get friend. You dey play, laugh. Do a bokon no you go play bokon no you go do everything. You say now your friend. No be all of them be your friend. Now your enemy also.
I don't tell anybody wetin happen for me and that team. Nobody at all.
Lie. We dey tell. Listen. Even Bible, it does say your enemy is very close to your house. To your house. For Proverbs chapter 6 verse 4. You know they read them. Listen, make I tell you. Think again, think. Think well, get flashback. You know what thing they call flashback? Flashback. Zoom. Like Nigerian film.
Only my two friends now are there. Lara and Betty. They even happy for me, sef.
You never start the deal. Talk more, converse, through converse.
Now the two of them even encourage me to come grieve for eating.
Now me I tell you now. No be all your friend where you receive your friend. Some of them, that your friend, they won't come out bread for your mouth, carry stone, put inside. Now one of them, we just come, Nicodemously. Come the talk, those bad thing to my brother. Hate them. So that them go come back, come to Nicodemously, come take your position. My brother know they fix like that. Like that thing, come make them come get the vexational anchor of annoyance, aggressiveness on top of your head.
You mean that? Which one? I been a Lara?
No, I don't know thing again. But keep waiting to take settlement with my brother.
But if we walk like this, enter this house, and this man catch us, he go just roast us alive.
So how we go do him now? Because we must enter house.
Him. What you go do be say, Muku enter the house. Just the shout, kidnap us.
So what thing will happen?
You don't know, Papa. You don't know, as Papa, they fear kidnappers like masquerade. We'll just try and see what you
now, we'll try.
Kidnap us!
Yeah. Sergeant Wilberforce of 378 Artillery Brigade of the defunct Grafia Army. The coast is clear.
Yes, so everywhere is clear.
Are you people sure?
Yes, sir. The coast is clear. Very, very clear.
You know what is going to happen? I'm going to that bush behind the house. That is bush. That is where I'm going to stay cool for some time. Yeah? If anybody comes from anywhere, you know what to do. If you want to communicate any message to me, come there. You understand? Yes. And please, listen. Don't bring anybody there. Except you. Anyway, you know what to do if anybody is after me. Then I'll come. If my... Shut up!
Yes, sir.
If she comes, tell her that I am there. If I direct her to that very place. Don't you? In fact, if you want to come and sit there, pretend you're coming for firewood.
On a wall.
On a wood, yes.
Remember on a wall, 10,000.
It's okay. Don't cry too much, yeah? It's okay.
Lara, if you see what let him do me, and me, I know say I don't talk anything like that. How person will call my friend go carry sample for my garri? Wetin I do, Betty?
It's okay. No conclude.
Now wetin I do, Betty?
No conclude first. She dey come, make you hear wetin she want talk.
Let him do me. Now where go now?
Betty, what did I do you? Sit down first. Why you dey cry? Sit down first. What did happen? Betty. Betty. Yes. Now you go tell it about our friend Uju. Carry Uju will be my friend. You gossip give 18. Who be 18? I not talk anything.
Liar. You don't lie. Now you go tell him say I call him illiterate and I call him common do tailor. Now you.
Me? Yes. Me, Betty. I not talk so. I will tell you. Now if na that gossip now na call me, I don't get time for gossip. Waiting you now say I don't get time. Waiting. I don't get time.
I beg stop her. I beg back away. Waiting. Who they gossip? What do you mean by gossip? See this one.
Now she know what she gossip to him. Now you know what he go gossip to him. Now you know.
I not talk anything. As I do so me will be Betty, you will be my friend. I will carry you go the gossip with him day. I not get job. Why I go talk like that? Me will be big girl. Ordinary tailor. Now I will carry you go the gossip where in day. I don't like him. I beg you.
Wait first. You mean say no be you go tell it him? Say Uju they call him ordinary dua thing.
Njakri go back. Waiting be your own self. Waiting they do you? Okay. If na dey ready, me will go. Me will go meet him face to face.
Okay.
Who be hit himself? Go meet him face to face.
We know who did I be. Make we go.
Make I lock my door.
Lock your door. Me will go. Waiting. Me will go. Waiting be your. Me will go.
Love, wanting love, wanting love.
Look at the whole Sergeant Wilberforce. 378 Artillery Division of the Defunct Biafran, roaming the bush, running away from his grave. How can I be running away from faceless idiots whom I don't know? I'll go back and face them now. I'll give you people 2 days or 3 days. Benefit of the doubt. Then I'll come and face you. Let me just find the place shortly. Settle. Two days and I will go and face them. They will see me. Okay. I'm a military man. Nothing is going to happen. Inside the bush, Sergeant Wilberforce. Inside the bush. All right, I resign my fate. 2 days, the people will see.
I go scatter everything for that place. So na fight we dey go fight. Yeah? na fight, I know they go. Eh? We won't go find out whether not true. Then we go make peace. No be to go there go fight. If na fight, I know they go.
I no talk say I dey go fight. I say if we reach it in place, you can't be saying a lie in the lie. I go make big trouble. Me Lara, I go make big trouble for there.
I know they go if not so.
Meaning, you must go am. You must go am.
Now by force. Now by force. After all, now you suggest me will come this day. You no go drag me come halfway say no they go again. Now lie, you must go.
See me see wahala. No be the same mouth why I carry suggest say me will they go. If I like, I will carry the same mouth say I know they go. If not so I know they go.
Now him be say waiting did you talk now?
Yes. That means that you go spoil me. And you go spoil my name where the man won't give me face day. And you make him disgrace me like that. Now you.
If you like, may you say anything, but I know they go again because I don't see say fight and they go fight.
So now your final decide be that, Abi?
Why will they go back?
Okay, so where they go?
Now they go now. Okay.
You must go. 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 You must go.
Yes. Thank God, say we don't succeed to pursue them, chasing them out of this house. Now we'll just pack anything where they're available. Pack them, go sell, and that's summer.
I sabi Papa well. You know, say that thing Thomas. Very soon I go return back.
Hey, but an opportunity to carry the money. Go, yeah, go.
But where we go hide them now? Where we go carry them go?
Go bury them inside ground.
Inside bush. Okay now. Good idea. See, make we lock the door first so that we go get the bag. Go separate the things.
Huh? You don't see get bag waiting for backyard.
You say?
You don't see get one bag waiting backyard. I see them somewhere.
No, we'll go find bag again.
Which kind of kidnapping style with this? Yeah? Wait.
Now you will come see.
Come. Wait.
Oh my God.
Hey, they want to kill you for me. For what? What in Girona?
We get small problem. We won't make you help us settle.
Which problem you want me to settle? Una welcome as una come like this. But when I come do like say, come be like say, you won't come from ultimate warrior for my house. If they don't see, they come. If I don't kill chicken, keep for una.
Eti.
Yes?
We can't ask you. Now who tell you say our friend Uju here call you ordinary dua tailor and illiteracy? Now who tell you?
Who tell me how? Which kind of stupid question be that? Not be my babe. Waiting, why do I like a ballad like this now? Huh? Now my babe now tell me now, Betty.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hey! You see,
Betty. So now like this today.
Hey! Wait! Where you carry all these gun militants like this? My sis don't they tell me some. Oh, say, you know, when I want to reason straight, leave me. Ay. Let me reason. Let me reason.
I love you.
I know. Ay. I know.
Don't mind them, Don't mind them.
See, it don't like lie the shows for your face.
Boy, you are still imagine 99, but still imagine 99. Make you put on portrait. Make it see the love.
It is showing in your face. I want to see your eyes.
You get Ghana must go. Yes. How much?
250.
Even another woman, now 200 naira they said. We won't call the cost pass.
One is big size, 250. That's the last one.
Bring them now.
Give us one.
From the look of things where I just see now, it ain't like you run the rule say monkey. You don't the rule here come style. For where you there, Abi?
Not me first they love you before she can't carry her mouth, go chook for the matter. I love you.
So what is going on now? You love me for where you did Iheme? You love me? Me I don't see. You eye me. Me I who you? Yeah? No confuse me. You know when you hug me like that, I get memory loss. But yes, now, you love me, I love your friend. And you don't tell me. You know the secret love be that? Why are you doing like this? In fact, leave me. Who you? Forgive me. I love you. Comes back to me.
I love you. I love you.
Is it with you? See, you distract the flow of this love. Shut up, your man, and get up. Now, please, I beg. Come and love me back. Okay? Come back to me. Eh? I beg. No, I beg. Yes?
You don't late.
I understand this thing. Even if he late. Oh yeah, give me late entry form. Let me buy. I will still come back into your life.
As I carry my love, come meet you. You pursue me, come out.
Yes?
You pursue me, enter the arms of another man. Another man will kiss my tears away. You don't late.
What you just tell now?
You don't hear him. You don't see him.
What you tell?
You don't see him now, but
you don't even
she
know
love
he kiss.
you.
He kiss your tears. He kiss your tears. He kiss your tears. What did he kiss you? What? Now then come be like Romeo and Juliet. Don't go back to Romeo and Juliet. Two of them more. Forget about the kissing. Me, I go kiss your eye. Where that man deserve to die. I could kill him.
I think you know fit.
I don't wait him.
You know fit.
I don't fit kill him. You know me?
See the love of my life now. You know fit do it.
Mama, you know. Not the love of your life, baby. Not the young and you know we be so. Not life, not dream, not film be this. Not film be this.
Come to me.
Wait. I didn't fighting mode. You can't do anything. I can't go there, man. Again. What are you talking about? I can't go. You can't do anything. Oh, light press up. Press up. Die. Hey, them zobo now. Hey, them zobo now. Hey, them zobo now.
We are kidnappers. We come to kidnap you. So these people are bent on punishing me. They are bent on dealing with me. But God will not agree. God will reject it, and I have rejected it. They hold me, Sergeant Wilberforce. It will not work. Let me just make my phone call.
Hello?
Hey, hello. What is the situation there?
Yeah, situation bad well. Some people come here today looking for you, say they be kidnappers.
You don't mean it?
Yes, I mean well. Would they even they find how we go come join you for that place where you there?
No, don't even try it. Don't even in fact, don't even contemplate it at all. You want to escort them to my hiding place? Are you foolish?
Oh, okay, we'll go find another place now where we go hide.
Don't even try bringing in or even telling anybody where I am or that I'm even out. Now, there is another thing. Make sure you people lock that house very, very well before you leave, wherever you're hiding. Enolo. Okay. I will call you again to ask for the situation report.
Okay, yes, sir. Okay.
Sergeant Wilberforce, look at me. No food, I'm getting hungry. Yeah? No water. And this mosquito will not allow me rest. Yeah? Is this life?
So now so I take loose my babe.
You know, say, them talk say, one man miss is another man gain. So now you push that girl, she come to my side. Come see shelter. Come see love.
I don't just blame you. Now me just know say I just fuck up. Just fuck up. Fuck up my style.
Now so well life do. This one now don't teach you something. So some other time, if somebody come talk to you, about somebody, make you go back, go investigate, ask that person, find out very well before you come bring your vexation, anger, and aggression to the person. You understand?
Oh, wow. Try.
What if this now? Do this and I won't come out from here.
I will come. I won't make a repair and make you stop us from making
Do now, repair what? We don't go somewhere.
Evil children. Now what do they do here?
See, what you concern you now? You know, see, one can go to give my Baba something.
Ah, where una they go? Where una carry big gun must go? Eh?
Which one? Where would they go?
We tell say one go give for our Papa something. They ask us where would they go?
Eh, I they go see una papa.
Our Papa not there has. He go see his sister for the other village.
Make I call her.
There's no need though. Why my Papa the network no down? We don't even try make we reach out. The thing they say unavailable.
I they suspect you now.
Which one be they suspect you now? Why you dey put mouth for what no concern you? Eh? This thing is between we and our Papa. You dey put mouth. What you concern you for what you dey do with our Papa? Why you dey put eyes for what no concern you? Eh? You no go now. Small time now go say we don't dey insult you. Go.
Now me they talk to you like that. Una be useless children. Una be useless children. You no sabi anything at all.
You want me? Papa snatcher. Ooh, Papa snatcher. You don't go. You don't carry a wahala. Everywhere wahala.
You self, you do this and I see what you cause now.
See, do this thing, please. You go there, Yana village, we will go there, go see. Say, we there, Yana, go there, do this.
I don't feel.
Hey, start up,
man, push up.
They like no go Robert. Make I just take the measurement first. Waiting you been one that time, sorry. Now long sleeve or short sleeve?
Nah, long sleeve now. I don't tell you before.
Now long sleeve. 3, 5, yeah. May I just see? Okay, the neck now wide neck or turtleneck you've been talking about because now turtleneck go make the cloth make it rich.
Now wide neck I tell you before now. How many times did they ask me?
May we test turtleneck first.
You won't kill me. Why they tie me with this tape? Take them easy now.
And I won't take the measurement and gauge.
Don't do a beg.
Here you come. Go. Because now me they do style and I won't do design give you. You know, like I do cap.
I don't need cap for this cloth what I want to.
You go teach me my work. I just take a. Hi, you go chop all the chloro. The head big. You don't like giant food flask.
Oh, no insult me. Oh.
I said, only your hair alone, 96 cm. Jesus. Ah. Now this is the most sensitive part. I won't take your chest, so you go do hands up, but first, wait first. Because of the experience what I get for this work, when people they raise up their hand, you don't shave.
You think concern shave by the measurement where they take?
That's the order with it. Okay, no problem. Just open your hand. I hold my breath. Okay. Your belly. Remove your belly. Out.
Now, so my belly reach.
You know go drop. What if you go drink beer and your belly come out? You want me the clothes here? You want to teach me my work? My friend, come out this your belly.
Okay, I don't come out there.
Easy, easy. No measure. Alright. Where the thing go hide? Brother, you no go size you. The cloth no go do.
Meaning?
Go, yes, you no go do. Bring another 5 yards.
What? 5 yards? For what for now?
What for how? Go bring another 5 yards. May I just sew your clothes, make it size.
You know say you know Sabi sew this style what I tell you make you sew for me. Who could give me my clothes, my car and they go my house?
We can carry your clothes, they go your house for waiting. Huh? You won't tell me my job? I say you no go size you. Go bring money for another 5 yards. You know come here to vogue with me. You know who you talk to? But all my years of experience.
Who you be?
For fashion design. Huh? You know who I don't sew clothes give for this one? Huh? I am the one that sew clothes for JC. Huh?
Etim. Now wetin be this?
In a cloth.
You dey tell me say na cloth, abi? Etim.
Uh-huh.
So I use my leg. Yeah, waka from my house, come here, come give you clothes, make you sew for me. You just destroy them, abi?
How they scatter the cloth?
You dey ask me. You dey ask me how you take scatter my clothes.
How I take scatter your cloth now?
Etim.
Yes.
You go know how you take. You go know how you take scatter my clothes.
Wait. Don't talk like that with my brother. Take am easy. Small.
What is this?
You dey ask me wetin be this? He tell me say he dey sew cloth for Two-Face. He dey sew for this person.
You know, go and ask Two-Face. Now Two-Face came. I recommend Two-Face recommend me say make I design T-Pen cloth. I design T-Pen cloth. I design Lil Wayne. Who I never design cloth give. I even design give that one where they like back to Super Zach. What is them call rigorous.
I carry cloth give you, you just destroy am, abi?
See this girl. Now me you carry hand point of using finger.
Now because I never blow your face.
Wait now, we go settle am. You won't fight. We go settle.
No problem. That one good. If you want make we settle this matter now, your brother go carry the money where I use buy the cloth give me. Plus the one where I use sew am. Then we go settle the matter.
Where your boyfriend? He don't show you.
Thank God, sir, I never conclude anything with you. I give me my clothes, mama.
Bros, forget waiting this girl tell you. Leave that thing.
Come here.
Come. Can you imagine? Onyara ta. You use your mouth, they should knock out for me. Ta. You regress? In fact, get out. I'm not even sad to miss a customer like you. Can you imagine? Huh? You gone there the talk nonsense. Before you know I'm now, you go say, make I saw cigar, give you, and it go nonsense. My dear.
Etim, I don't get any problem with you, but by the time when I go come back, now you go see me well.
Girl, you see what you don't do now. You don't come destroy my brother business. See, they talk from out.
You don't say you be a band. As you just come here, my business crumble. See as
and
you
as I text your one, then I go take why you if you don't do this sport well.
You see, let me tell you, you're there like native pot. Me just come out for this place. So.
Eti, na me dey talk. Okay, you wan come beat me job on top of
Girl, mind the way you talk with my brother. Mind your respect, my brother.
If I knock you
by
now.
the time wey I go there come back, you go see. I never even touch your eye there. You go see yourself.
Can you imagine? See this girl. See how she be.
See how you go.
See how she shot. Like see how she do it. See him. I go down one.
My sergeant. Bye. Sergeant Wilberforce of the 378 Artillery Brigade of the Defunct Biafran Army. Where are you? Bam. Be like say this man no dey house. I be waiting those children talk na true. Hey. Okay. Make I call am.
Hello, my darling.
Hello? My sergeant, I dey your house, so you know the house. Where you dey?
My dear, I decided to just take refuge, to go low, so that I can plan my next action from these kidnappers that are harassing me.
Kidnappers? Hey. So where you run go now?
No, it's not as if I ran, no. Like I told you, I just decided to go low. Well, since you're in my house now, let me describe it for you. Only you. Go to the back of that my house. You will see that track road that goes, follow it straight. You will come to at the edge of the bush. Enter that bush. But please, don't let anybody know where you're going. In fact, don't even make sure say nobody even sees you. Pretend you're going to a toilet and enter the bush. You will see me, you will see where I'm hiding. One big tree there.
Okay. I dey come now, I dey come.
Hey, I can't wait to see you, to be happy.
My sergeant, which one be that? Which kind talk be that one? I said I dey come now, I say you no go wait to see me. Where you won't go again?
Oh yeah, start coming now. I've been so lonely. That was why.
Okay, don't go anywhere, I dey come.
Sometimes it's sweet like sugar, sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love they be, you dey go rohi. Sometimes it's sweet like sugar, sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love they be, you dey go rohi. One tintin. Love, one tintin. Sometimes it's sweet like sugar, sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love baby, you dey go rohi. Sometimes it's sweet like sugar, sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love baby, you dey go rohi.
I don't tell you about your hot temper. See, your temper is too hot. You see that girl now? Sometimes make you cool them down. After all, you people talk say, customers are always right. No be so. I don't hear. Hey, Tam. Here, what about you? Is that not a policeman? Is that not a policeman? Hey, Tam.
If you don't bring them, they'll come and spray for my clothes. Catch them. Catch them. Don't come back here if you do not catch them. I'll wait for them here. Catch them. Police, bring them there. Or bring them. I want to spoil my cloth and run. For what? Bring them. They will pay for it. My designer's clothes. Yeah? Wait. Where them? You don't catch them like
They
this.
have escaped. Madam, don't worry. Go come back for them. But that means say you go add extra 5,000 naira for fuel.
I go give you extra 5,000 naira for fuel. Make we dey follow this matter, Abi. You know how much I buy this cloth? You know whether you reach 1,000 naira? You a stupid man. Thief. Want me to give you extra 5,000 naira?
Madam, for abusing the officer of Federal Republic of Nigeria, you are under arrest immediately.
You won't leave me like case, Abi. Come and touch me now. The people who are telling you catch, you know 1,000 and me you want arrest. Take.
Come here, madam.
Come and touch me.
Stop there. Stop there.
Don't fear.
Hey, you don't make me feel well for this bush.
No need to fear now. The bush is safe.
My sergeant, what will they do for you?
I told you now. I told you I was with those kidnappers. I was trying to hide, to lie low. So as soon as the day do this thing, I will come out.
Which kidnappers?
Was I not in your house when the kidnappers on one occasion, called and were banging on your door? Those boys. And then my boys have been giving me messages of, what they were saying.
Hey, that reminds me. I see your sons for road. They carry big Ghana must go. Where you send them?
Ghana must go. I didn't send them anywhere.
Ha! I see them all. They carry big Ghana must go. And when I try to question them, they begin quarrel with me.
They begin quarrel you? Those boys are into one mischief or the other. They're into one. And if I catch them, if there's any mischief, and I catch them, they will be in trouble.
My sergeant. But how you take no says kidnappers they look for you?
What are you saying? Was I not in your house one day when they called? It's the same thing. And my boys have been giving me the messages. When they come, they didn't see me. They will drop message for my boys. So, well, there is no tangible fact, but I have to trust you and trust my boys.
Hey, my sergeant. Those boys don't use your head well.
Which boys? The kidnappers?
Your useless sons. They don't use your head well.
My sons, how?
My sergeant, if kidnappers they look for you, them come your house, them no see you, they no go leave message with your boys. They go carry them go, call you for phone, say make you bring money off recover.
I never thought of this line before. Yes! Ha! These boys are playing intelligence. I never thought of that. Oh, very darling for bringing this information. Let's go.
Sometimes it's sweet like sugar, sometimes it burn like fire. Not so love they be, you dey go
Well, if you hate them come, the ghost don't glare. I mean, there you say that man, nothing they happen. You see, ghost don't glare everything, no problem. No girl, I don't tell you, Maudoko.
There, wait face day. You think that I was fearing? I know they fear. Eh? I just the waka. Just because you see me the waka there like you say I waka for slow motion, no means I fear. I don't
Shut
fear
up.
anything.
We the talk like that. You we the run 440 like Tailor. They run for Liberia. Why you been run go? Now you can't talk, you know they run anything.
Who be just Tailor? You be just seamstress. Nonsense. You dey grace? Don't you know that he who fire and run away, he live to fire very many fire another day?
Make I deal about the true thing. We did not fire any fire. I don't see you fire anything at all in the market. Now that woman been slap you, common woman slap you, twang. You fall down, bang. You go bring police station, come, you come the front, 440.
Shut up. Shut up. You want slap woman? Eh? You want slap woman?
Why you don't go slap?
Before you know I'm not, if I slap him, front, back, up, down, side. Before you know I'm not, him fall down. Then carry him go mortuary. Eh? Before you know I'm now, then charge me for murderer.
Nothing like murderer. We don't get power.
Sugar.
Yes, my baby. You didn't do it for ear, bam.
My love.
My sweet
sugar.
I
How
like
are
that
you?
call me that name again. Hey,
How are you?
I love you well, I did.
You know, so I love you too. How are you?
I did fine. Kampe.
I bring food for you.
You bring food for me?
Yes, my love.
Oh my God. Okay. This is good. You know, we think where will people call him? Mayoma. I don't get them. I said, I call you Mayoma.
I don't go.
Hey, me they go. See, you know, say, me, I love you well. Wait, make I tell you something. That's food where you bring come. If you like that time, we like you for 2 Kings chapter 30, verse 2. Angel, they bring food. Go give Elijah for one place. God send you as my angel.
I don't think you like them.
Hey, locked. No, come.
Bring that pure water. Make it take and wash your hands.
See what you want to take. Go marry that girl.
Lie. That's why we do this in make they go. It no go ever happen.
The man go inside bush now there. They hunger.
Not true. Make we do quick. Go give them. Go give them food before you go come turn back and come they go house.
Abi? Quick.
All the money I made, all my allowances, all the money I made in business, all of them are in that thing. That bag you saw that this useless boy has prayed. All the money I have in this world. Hi, Ahmed.
If I catch those boys, I will kill them.
Hey! Egom. And you see how those boys are spoiling things. My plan is for me to use part of that money and then do our marriage right, do everything about our marriage ceremony, and then use the other part of it to buy you a befitting car.
Those people have killed me, my marriage, my car. I know better for those children. My marriage, my car.
Small boys, what's happened?
So when I ask some question like say, when I know us again.
We know now, but now waiting you want make we come do for you because today there's no work today, na public holiday.
We no say today na public holiday. See, we no carry any work come.
Okay, as una no carry work come, what's happened? Waiting bring una here.
Our papa send us say make we come see una. Karama, tell them.
We are one on Conde. Ask our papa whether you go fit giving us small money, wanna test our business. We hear them.
Yes, not true. But that day where we come, your papa been drive us come out that day. Na narrowly where we take escape. Where your papa pursue us come out for that him house.
That make he send us now to come beg una. He say make we give una this thing and they make we apologize to una. Make una forgive him.
You sure?
Yes, na money.
Now waiting with this one.
Na money. Our papa say make una take him, make una take him for dash.
Na Zik head.
Make una no pay back.
Thank you, don't mention.
Una give us claim any song? 1,000. How many be this?
Na plenty money.
I say na Zik head.
Maybe Zik head be this now, na claim any song be this now, and I bogi.
Money.
Thank you. you will come down and back now.
No, don't worry. Papa say make you. Mona no come say thank you. See, even as I talk to you now, my papa don't travel.
Your father na philanthropist.
Oh, no, don't worry. Say me that take.
Man, thank you. Make I come.
Our papa.
It's Corona now.
Thank you. Don't mention. Thank you.
Money. DJ drop too. What's in the sharing?
We're supposed to just do big prepare food and go and give to Papa before he becomes late.
Yes, we will go. And we will make him fair well because of the kidnapping. Are you well?
Snatch my boyfriend from me and I go leave you.
Betty, you go pay. Betty, I don't come on your boyfriend from your hand. Now you use your hand, come on yourself. Betty, leave me alone, leave me alone.
So leave me alone. You get mouth.
Betty,
So you get mouth.
Betty,
You get mouth.
Betty,
listen up.
Betty, leave me alone. Betty, leave me alone. Betty.
Why are they fighting now? Who are you?
She said I come out from her boyfriend hand. Not be she use her hand, come on herself.
Now lie, no be use your hand, your witchcraft. Come out yourself, right? I beg, come out, right? See Chief Mrs. George. We want George, sir. Who call you for this matter? Leave a man show and say, man, pass him here. Get away from here. Who want water? Who want fight to betray me next time? Yeah, we go join us together and beat you. And now get out. Come out. I said, make you come out from here. Come out.
We see as I raise so my heart just the think I dey think inside deep inside that thing
Waiting.
see I dey think say we no suppose at all go tell that man we been give us money. We no suppose go tell am say thank you, don't mention. We don't suppose to go.
I don't support that Gonka for waiting just the talk because even from the children, then talk say make we no go there. Their father thank you, no mention. So now from there now, I come out my mind.
Because one thing still it confuse me also. I no one believe those children. This man, we talk about the man that we are talking about now. We talk about say this man na very typical Igbo man. Very typical Igbo man. And he come here and say this man, he come be Sayen Wilberforce. He come be retired Biafran man. You see that kind thing? That kind man cannot, I know if it gave you money, or he come help you. After he come there say, don't tell me thank you, don't mention. Say you know one thank you, don't mention. If you believe that kind thing.
So what thing they talk now? What thing they try to talk about now?
What I'm talking about is that we can go tell that man, thank you, don't mention.
May we go now.
But the problem now be say, how we go take go teram?
We go take leg go now.
What are you there about? Which kind leg? Don't you know that we will carry gift of appreciation, gift of gratefulness, go give the man as we dey go there.
See that man alone, Jeff. You no get any gift where you go give up. Pass for you to go there. Say, pray. This is a special thank you to Sergeant Wilberforce of the 378 Artillery Brigade of the Reformed Biafran Army. By the time you talk that one, in head go just scatter. You go just look for a broom to take sweep the head, make it for pack, put for in neck back again, make it for balance, make it not come there like Rumty.
You sure?
Yes, now.
Only that one?
Wait, in that do? Okay, only that do.
But you know, no problem. I'm not going to take that one.
I'm wrong.
You don't even help me at all.
See, you know what? May we just take this thing, bring this thing down. Taste this thing, know what's in the inside. Whether the thing, whether na wine, or na water, or if it be wine, whether it goes sweet or it goes sour.
Na true, when you talk so, na say make na true. You don't do good idea. Wait. You know, a big man something. You don't carry him.
Make
I taste. Make me a best taste.
Yes.
Because if it be say that man. The thing sweet though. It's sweet. Think small. You don't finish all. Wait.
It's sweet though.
Shut up! If I hear pain from you again, I'm going to kill you before I dispose of you.
Now selling one go sell us.
Selling is small. I am going to hand you over to a ritualist.
Ritualist what?
So that nothing like you will ever come to this family again.
Papa, ritualist what? Papa, why now? Papa, if you take us to ritualist now, he will kill us and use our blood. Papa.
Shut up about killing. How many times have you killed me? You have killed me more than 10 times. And I want to kill you once you are crying.
But think twice. Papa, Papa, God will tell me witness.
God cannot bear witness. One sentence. That will be more appropriate.
You see very well. You know what thing ball apostrophe idiot? Idiot say, take small for your bad stomach, empty stomach. You didn't for Deuteronomy verse 4, chapter 5.
Say,
you, why they call it all now? Don't finish all of this thing. Remember, say we won't carry this thing, go give that man. Now ball boss of video. There is a thick small for stomach ulcer. Deuteronomy chapter 4, verse 13.
You don't the fluctuate like fuel price.
What are you doing?
Economy. Get independence. Calm down. It's too early for you to use the wrong.
Oh, soldier never die. You know the time.
Come.
So that's why I will take that, and that's why I will just die like that.
That is the best way to die, for you to go to hell. That's the shortest cut. Because you people have been giving people hell on earth. Here. When you go there, tell devil what you have committed. And that I want to sacrifice. Shut up! Let me go and sacrifice you to the God of peace, so that we'll have peace.
Can I go to hell?
You are going to hell.
I can't go to hell now.
Die first, before we know where I'm going.
This sin is against God and humanity.
God doesn't know you exist. What are you talking?
Ow!
God doesn't know that people exist.
Think twice, though.
Think twice. I won't even think before I send you.
I'm supposed to go and talk to
It's what?
Angelina before I die.
Hey! It is now I know that you are a Telis Anaximandra Anaximenes Incombro.
Let me tell you, you are just like a gentleman's bombastic and acrobatic young
It
geezer.
is now I understand that you are a pronoun born pragmatic.
You are like Congolians Balpodronums of Evlombe.
Take what?
This
All
man
this
is want to sell people.
Why you people thinking?
Old people like you know.
Hey, help! Please help us!
If I kick you,
Papa wants to carry us.
Let's go back.
Excuse me.
I said, come, I will kick you.
Sorry.
Yeah, stop
Don't
there,
worry,
mass
don't
break. Who are you?
Don't worry, don't
What are
worry.
you fear about?
No, don't worry.
I don't want you to
They're
know.
my children.
You don't fear.
What's wrong
I don't
with
want
you?
to get what you fear. Come, I'm rescue this man. Let me rescue him. Get up.
Come back here. Oh, you people want to come out.
Happy you want die, yo. You dey joke with your whole soldier.
Come. Oh. Boo, come. Wahala dey.
You man.
Wahala dey.
You waiting happen now? When you come make my temperature go up more.
Why they do like this, man? Eh? Why they do like this?
Wahala dey oh.
Wahala nzo.
I just want to catch Sergeant Wiba first. Eh? I just want to catch and come release in 2 sons when we won't go set to recover him money.
That stupid man.
See, no be small operation, nine we do, sir.
Hey.
We do real operation.
Hey.
You won't carry those children, go sell. Eh?
Hey.
We come all up. So no be so they do for human rights.
See, make I tell you, see that man. We deal with that man.
Hey.
We deal with that man till himself. No say even Zion Wilberforce way in there with strong person.
You see now, wahala don dey now. Eh? The man don't swear to deal with 2 of us now. He even think now 2 of us and I go set to recover him money. You see? Which kind of thing with this now? Hey.
Hate them. You know see that thing now. I've been telling you say that time when you want to go for the operation, say I see red light. I see danger. Say stop. Red light, stop. I tell you, and you don't want to hear now. We don't go in that pot of soup.
What you tell me? Your mouth open. You tell me anything. You ready for silent mode or you ready for vibration? What's that nonsense be that? From when you tell me anything? Stop that amount. See, my dear, what I'm trying to tell you is that, well, no, nothing go happen.
Nothing go happen. Yeah. Sergeant Wiba first.
No worry, nothing go happen. But then do something. I just want to tell you that it will be my fault. No be us do this thing for clear eye.
Now who do am?
Eh? Now we ring. Napam one eye. Now we take two.
Sergeant Wiba first and in wahala. Honey, sugar. I beg you. Anything we go do, try to am quick. My love, I don't want anything.
See, if I'm Oyo, I will tell you for your own good. I beg. See, you come meet us like friend, huh? You know, come kill and leave me, huh? Or for me. In 2 years, as you call I'm sugar. So before you know, I'm not going to get emotional diabetes.
Oh, sugar, I beg, anything you want to try to am quick. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing
I don't
go
want
happen
to
to
survive more.
Nothing go happen. That one where we do. Nah, that one nah. A plan B that. Plan A. We get plan B where we go do. That plan B now we could know waiting to do.
Go do am quick. I beg.
No problem. Nothing go happen. Go.
Okay,
you hear what I tell you? You ma go. Eat them. Eat me don't mind. Eat them.
You know, during military exercise like this, when you bring out your, you know, they give people pass mark for this. When you clean, in fact, if they want to give you second lieutenant, they can give you full lieutenant because of the way you clean your gun. And because I have a mission with this very gun, I'm going to deal with them.
My sergeant, no mercy for them at all. No mercy for them. If you do go look for them, carry this your gun. Join them with arrow and cutlass, so that when you see them, you go shoot them. Arrow them, then cutlass them. You hear?
Don't you know what I can do, my ginger?
I trust you. I trust you, my sergeant. Sergeant Wilberforce. 378 Artillery Brigade of the defunct Biafra Army.
One touch, one shoot. One touch, kaboom. One touch, kaboom.
Yeah.
You know, during our training, people so praised me at a stage in gun, infantry, handling of artillery. If I bring my semi-attack like this, the moment you just come, I came with my gun like this. Bam, bam. Okay, no, don't worry. It's a small accidental discharge. It's nothing. It's very common in the army. In the army, this is very common.
Why you can't run?
I did not run. That's reconnaissance. You have to do this. You move back. You prepare and wait for your enemies. You don't know? That is how to. You cannot be any military without this accidental discharge. Then you get used to it. You know, see, as I'm coming, why did it go off? Do you know that at times? No, at times enemies can deal with you. Your enemies can use remote to discharge your gun. You don't know? That is why I say when I say that enemies are around me, I know exactly what I'm talking.
Come now, come. See, I go abandon you like railway project. Go. I go abandon you. Go. You want message to come shoot us now for God? No, shoot, no go shoot. Oh yeah, come now, come now. We go by road for you. Hey, hey. Who is this one?
This one not serious.
What's it?
Only me and Ojongo. That's not so serious. Begin the run like say. That's what they can pursue. So all they run like this. What's up?
Why no go run now? Why no go run? How one diagnose no be una papa? Come on, like a terrorist. No, now go attack us.
Imagine. It's no you talk like this. I think all of us are friends. How we going to plan? Say want kidnap una or come kill una or become terrorists just overnight because of una. Why now? Why they talk like? By the way, when I carry these bags, they go.
May I tell you? Now we dey now do. Forward straight march to Akwa Ibom State. Now we dey go. They spy on the mountain.
No, they go anywhere. No.
We not go anywhere as waiting. Eh? I don't talk. I'm saying you be agent.
We have business we won't discuss with us.
Yes. Which kind of business you want to discuss now? Where we are blood they order.
Ojo, tell them. See, one make una help us. One make una hide us for una house.
Is it?
Yes, hide us for una house.
Man, you're still see. You see that kind of business? See all those kind of things. All those kind of things. They know talk I'm like that. They know talk I'm like that. They just sit down for one place. Calm down, and talk about it here. We are company just sit down. That is not talk now.
Okay. So, as if we no one in a situation where if I go hide us now, I go to tell people say na here we dey. Mona no try am. Mona no tell anybody because we are ready to pay.
How much?
Yeah, how much you go like make we pay?
Okay.
They wait.
Make him think now. In the thing. Okay. Since we say you be our friends, now go pay 1,000 per each. As one you 1,000, you 1,000.
To put somebody for exile no be small thing. That money is okay.
Wait, so now only 2,000 naira. That's 1,000 naira.
Yes, now.
Now you take this to talk.
Oh, you know like I'm like that. Yeah,
See. I mean, the money small now. Huh? I'm going to say a big something. See, we go pay on 20,000 naira.
Even at 20, just carry this house. Carry the house.
Wait, see. I just tell you something. See, I know it's small picking. Yeah. I know they like me small picking. Just they carry me they play. So tell me.
Ojo, I beg them to say a joke with the joke. Give them cash. Pay them see them. Count up.
Mama. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
God bless you, sir.
20,000.
You did say with the job before.
May your pocket not run dry. When I reach of this thing, when I just the reason.
It's a business with this one. Na real business. Where you want to put? No. He go scratch you.
No problem.
So now wetin sergeant wan do now?
Wetin you want to do? You don't plan to shoot those boys wey help your children carry money run. Hi, Uju. I dey pity that man. I dey pity him.
Why?
The boys don't make him useless.
Oh.
You know if you chop 1 square meal a day, na me dey cook for my house, go give him.
Okay. But wetin those boys do no good at all. They no try.
The one with the vex and pass na Etim and Opong, your boyfriend. Because now 2 of them help your children carry money run. He say he go finish those ones first before he go begin look for your children.
Yeah. Finish them.
If you see the kind gun where you don't prepare for this operation, yeah. If you see that, I never see that kind gun for my life. You see the gun, Hey, you see the gun, Hey. You go fear. Yeah. What do you do?
Won't fight.
No, I don't fight now. I come for peace. I come beg on me forgive me for anything wey dey between us. I dey beg on.
I know they hear you. I know they hear what you they talk about.
I say I dey sorry for anything wey happen. I beg una forgive me. I be una friends too. Choo.
I beg stand there. Wait first. Stand there. No move. We could do small meeting. Would they come? Okay. You hear? No move. Oh. Stand here. What do you think?
Lara, I foresee make she dey by herself. Make we do our own self now. I no want wahala.
No, no good. It's not good like that. Remember, she's our friend. Titi. Make we just, as she don't apologize, make we just pity her. Make we just forgive her. You hear?
Because you talk am, but see, if she try am again, we no go forgive her at all. Lie, we no go forgive her.
She no go try. Hey. We don't agree say we go forgive you.
Let me now.
Thank you. See my tell you, See my try you. If you try this thing again, if you try give us wahala again, we no go forgive you at all. If you like carry the whole place come, we no go
try am.
You sure?
Now, devil wey enter inside me. Now I do that. No be me.
Come like say on 5 person.
We don't miss you too. Forget this gragra way they do that. Cover up, just they cover up. We don't miss you.
I know that. I know.
I know.
You see the gun.
big go. Who they shoot person? Who then they shoot?
Hey, my boyfriend.
They like. They like this food sweeter.
Bivanga. You know that's why you got sweet before. Sweet well.
Eat them. You know, go come out your eye and your heart for somebody food.
My eye, you tell you say my eye ready food.
Don't try more. If you put your eyes fire, we go chop and come out.
Yourself, you know fit even. You just give us even small taste.
What? No need now to check whether the food good or not. By the way, why not they put eye for this food?
What are you talking about? Don't you know that we and us we did like that? Say we neighborhood. Don't you know that? Even say from Matthew 7:7, he talks say, give and it shall be you, knock and it shall be open, ask and it shall found. Don't you know that? So even the bottom pot, if I reach us.
Error. Error. When I know say we pay big money for this house, you don't hear the Matthew 7:7. Ecclesiastes 7:7. Even if you guys no one give, make you no give. Now wait you talk. You wanna know the tear eye for this food again? No?
I don't go.
Okay, no.
Even a mere song and saddle. Even a mere song and saddle.
Dog side it go.
You want make I carry for bad before I go?
Nah, okay now.
Even know. Matthew 7:7 says keep.
Come on. This was sweet. Well,
You mean that?
You not go join them.
Matthew 7:7 ask and it shall be given. Matthew 7:7 ask.
You not go join them. Matthew 7:7. The only Matthew 7 for Bible.
7:7.
That's a way there for Bible.
Where is this?
Seek and you shall find.
Where's the Deuteronomy there? You don't know.
Seek and you shall find. 7:7 ask and.
Sergeant Wilberforce! Sergeant Wilberforce!
Run! This way, run! This way!
Hey!
Hey, boy. That was you go look. Go check for that place. If not, Papa for just come kill all of us.
Now.
Don't talk too loud, though. The man feed there and they lay ambush or they ready for us, according to Papa's theory.
You know what? Make I just go. Go check whether I'm still there.
You want to sacrifice yourself for us, Abi? Huh?
What a friend for? What a friend for? There is no way I will not act the same way the Bible says I should act. After all, Jesus Christ is sacrificing life for our sins on the cross of Calvary 2,000 years ago. So what a friend for? Why won't I sacrifice my life for you?
If you go there, go survive. Come back. I'll give you 5,000 naira.
Come on now. Okay, you know what? If I go, and just in case then I do not return back from the war, give the 5,000 back to my family.
But you don't get family.
I don't get family. I get Milifa.
So, if now, so make me I follow go now. You know about abandon me here like no me.
Oh, the money is not before you. No, Liam. If you go win, I'll give up.
Wow.
This kind of thing, as if you. where your brother they go?
What is the whole need to say now?
Samuel, God forbid bad thing.
If they catch him, I don't hear his shout since. If I don't shout, they cry, they shout since.
What if you tell him, say, if you shout, I go shoot you?
Not true.
You know, say, if my brother go, you know, come back. Now me, I go receive the 5,000 naira. You understand? So now I go come inherit the 5,000. Hey, come here, try.
Oh my God.
See.
You go make us the fear. What you hold you since now?
Oh, but maybe fear something. Your father, you don't come, you can't take all the food we will eat. You don't carry and chop finish. Huh?
You feel them?
They now.
Hey! You see, the thing don't catch him now. The man don't pour.
So, our father really come.
I carry water put inside my dog.
So now, as it like that, now waiting on a go.
What you go do? We go there here now. Go there here. They watch what in the happen.
Hey! Abasie!
This is not true. So Papa really come here, come chop all the food where they here.
You see, we go deal with that man. So in fact, we go deal with him so that you know we can't even know the difference between good, bad, and bad. And at that time, you go call respect us.
But on a second thought, una like una be junior pharaoh. Eh? Why una like this? Una man they very strong. Waiting una papa run. We una decide say una go deal with una papa like this. It's not fair.
I wonder.
What is the wonder? Man, we open eyes, deny us we be children. If like you, what you go do? You go endure.
That kind of thing no go wrong.
Man, no even drink.
That be the reason now. It is say we don't do that.
No even drink water. Just finish. Check. This one.
Can you imagine? You give me a collect Najas, but then talk this thing for you.
So now we the work now for now.
No.
What kind of thing
You
is that?
wanted this? Okay, give us our money back.
Huh? Okay, sir. It's okay. No problem.
If
No
that food no, you want chop.
Sorry.
Carry this plate. No go take her.
Go keep
Nah,
am
slip
for.
up
Keep am
behind
for.
now. Person know they follow you play again.
And the thing they worry me now.
Oh yeah, maybe you talk to Lara now. Make she talk to her bobo.
Now Lara they even ginger her bobo self. Eh? Abi, you go escort me more go talk to her.
No wahala now. Yeah, maybe we dey go. Maybe we dey go now.
Honestly, I don't want to lose my bobo. I don't want anything to happen to her.
But even that 18 man born, they no try at all.
Now waiting them for do. Eh? Now small help. Now they help those two boys. Where their papa use big rope tie. Say one go sell and give ritualists.
But that man get heart though. That man get heart. Where? How person go tie his own children, his own sons? Say he won't go sell them to money ritualists.
Let's go.
Okay, but I even hear say those boys, then they give their papa headache. Then they disturb their papa. They don't want me their papa marry. Until they grow.
Grow kwa? Grow kwa?
Now you.
Which kind grow those boys won't grow again? Eh?
Now
why Lara always fight them anyhow?
Lie. I say lie. Ha! My man, they find those useless boys. Those boys wey help the useless boys escape. They find them. In fact, as we dey talk now, I know say you don't plan as if you use him gun shoot them.
Hey! You mean Hey! Uju, Hey! Now waiting make me go grieve for friendship with this boy now. Now waiting. Now see the boy go soon die. I will never even enjoy the lovership finish. Hey! Uju. Lara, I beg, make you help me beg Sergeant. I beg. See, if he kill Etim and those two boys, but make he leave Opong for me now. I beg, make he leave him for me, for my sake.
Yeah. Me, I know if you talk that kind of thing. Now both of them. Now they commit the criminal offense where they put my man for this sufferness, where in the sufferness. I know if you talk that kind of thing.
I beg. I take God beg you. For the sake of Uju, where love don't catch, you don't shack him for where one body day. You go help him. Talk to her. I beg. Talk to your man. I beg.
For my sake, make him go
Try, Sha.
Hey, thank you.
Wait now. Hold the thank you first. Hold the thank you first. I go try. Now try. I say I go try. Hold on first.
Thank you, Sha. Thank you.
Sergeant Wilberforce 378 artillery division of the defunct girlfriend army. Anybody who seeks my trouble will get a double dose. I don't pardon, I go for revenge. I have all the target. Aim well and fire. And fire. You they shoot, I they shoot, you they shoot, I do. Banjo, wayo, banjo, wayo.
See, I get revelation. I get revelation as I talk to. My spirit, they disturb my mind. My mind, they disturb my spirit. My spirit disturb my mind so much. Very, very big.
Disturb what now?
It disturb, say, we supposed to run, come out for this place. Go back to Akwa Ibom State. Now waiting to disturb be that. Go because it's better for you to go die for your motherland than to die for peasant land. Oh.
My brother, I conquer.
You conquer?
I conquer. Serious. My soul, my spirit used to tell my mind.
Mikuro, but the first time when you conquer the thing, when me I talk, hate them. But one thing, you could just keep quiet like this. Keep quiet. Don't tell anybody. Don't allow anybody to know the plan. We two of us take plan because it be like say our mind there for equality now. As we come out, nobody knows say we don't leave this place.
Are they grace? I never allow anybody know anything as I read you. Nobody go know nothing. You know, say this our house, no be house. Na hole. So we no be human being. We go do like ants. We go carry our thing, move our thing, small, until we famous come out for this compound. Anyhow, they like they go settle with landlord.
True way you talk. I want for me, I may understand it. I'm gonna be namaro. It take on february itaro. Kuya worion. For what? I could come die for peasant land. Die for what? My state require Ibom State there. I cannot go there and get established. Become a landlord also.
Sergeant Wilberforce. 370. Hey.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was you. You know, when I am set on a war, everything becomes an enemy. Even if the leaves shake, I will be on the alert.
Okay. My Sergeant, what's happened? Why you carry gun?
There is a popular saying. That thing is the pride of liberty is internal vigilance. And you have to be vigilant all the time. Anybody that enemy is surrounded is always on his toes. Cautious. That's why I'm always on my toe.
Yeah. So, I don't become enemy, Sabi?
No. You have been my ginger. You have been my love. You see, you doused that hot blood in me. But what I did was just caution. Military caution. Simple. Don't be offended.
Okay. Well, I come to give you information.
Information? Intelligence of information or general information?
I don't know that one. No. I come to give you information about your sons.
Point of correction. Former sons, settled sons, detached sons, discharged sons. Because those sons were discharged and acquitted from the families of Sergeant Wilberforce long ago. They no longer belong to this cantonment.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
I have another target. Aim well and fire. You they shoot, I they shoot. Shoot, I they shoot. Okay, wayo, Sansem, wayo. My dear, you're an angel. Come and sit down and give me a comprehensive information of what you had or what you have about those urchins you call my boys. Because that is what I'm going to use as my revenge strategy. Come and sit down and give me information. I have iron here, even if you don't see.
So you really mean I'm saying one waka?
Hate them. Why not if not? Why not? No, we say we won't travel, we won't run away before. Those stupid boys come bring money, come deceive us. Amo, now that money won't come destroy our life in a crumble way.
Okay, now tell me now, where you want to run, ke?
What are you there about? I won't go back to Akwa Ibom State. May I go back to Akwa Ibom State anymore? Go start my life from Genesis. Start my life from fresh. Eh? See the damn why I been come here, my body been good. Now I don't come resemble tilapia fish. May I go start my life for Akwa Ibom State? Listen, them dogs say, better be late than be late.
Where I let or let come, I don't want to know my problem. My problem is, so as you read so, you no get conscience. So you won't live with you, drive like that, go, and break her heart. What if she get out of there?
What are you doing about you? You know, we say as I come to this place, now I come see you. If I go back to Akwa Ibom State, go back to Akwa Ibom, even go back to Nsribom, can I see Ekaite or Imabong carry and marry like that? Waiting to you, that bong borrow. You ma? You?
Hey, they carry mats, they go.
You see this mad? You people dog say, make the air when the sun is shine. You see this man? I won't put them for sun, make sun a bit them small. you man, you man, don't I won't put all these things for sun. Make it a bit small.
But is that what person want travel now?
You know you for talk like this. You think say me, Ubang, for travel. Leave you, my you, baby. You come leave my sweet you, make some other person come carry him. No, that kind of thing, no fit do. If you leave that kind of thing, okay, you make I ask you where I want travel go.
How I want take no? How I want take no? You tell me. See.
You dey look me. You tell him now.
What are you there about? Hey, them tell him what?
Tell him the Bible say the truth and the truth will set you free. Tell him.
Talk now, tell me waiting.
Okay. Let me talk him. I talk him say he won't travel, go back village. Saying grandmama won't born so that two of us will go to the naming ceremony.
Upong, so you won't travel leave me?
Yes.
Yes. You won't travel leave me? Waiting I do you now? Waiting I do you?
No, I mean now in the I mean say make I shut up, but you know say me I know they get secret.
You see this thing where my brother do? This thing Bible call him jealousy. He said don't be jealous. He said if you look for Jeremiah chapter 30 verse 2, it just say don't be jealous. Hey. So my brother is jealous. How can I not leave you?
You won't leave me travel. You won't leave me travel.
You don't break my heart. You ma.
Sure say by now my sergeant don't kill those boys and all the persons who do evil against him.
But why Sergeant Wilberforce won't kill those boys?
Why? Why not if not? I ask you, why not if not? I mean, you know say if you kill them now, I will come get chance, come balance, come marry him.
Sergeant Wilberforce, don't give him we go no. Don't give him we go no. Hey.
those boys are proud to live their life. Let them be happy. They will never escape from the arms of the law.
How could they have disappeared into the air like this? This one is locked. This is locked. My God. How could this have happened? Hold it there! Oh, sorry. Sorry, I thought it was these miscreants.
My sergeant, we hear say you kill person with gun. Now why we run gun?
If I had killed the person, I would have been very, very happy. They entered this place and completely disappeared.
You mean you not kill them? Eh? I talk am say those boys get juju. I don't talk am before. So you not kill them. Hey!
Don't worry.
My sergeant, so what do you go do now?
You know what? Don't worry, I'll go. I know that these boys entered this compound. Even if it means my coming here to keep vigil in the night, I will come back to this compound. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let us go for now. I just wondered how they would have just volatilized like that.
My sergeant, are you sure you checked everywhere? You checked very well.
Check every place.
Even this uncompleted beauty, you checked very well.
I was very close to them. They just entered here and that was it. Come, let's go. Let's go first. I noticed that you have not been happy. What is wrong with you? Why are you looking so worried now?
Why I no go worry? Tell me why I no go worry. You say you catch those boys or you kill them. How for they happy now? How for they happy? As far as those boys they are alive, I no go fit marry you. Meaning?
Nothing.
Listen, I told you I am looking for... Look at me with my gun. I've been looking around for those boys. Don't worry, I want to go and lay ambush for them and then arrest them. That's all. That's why I'm out for it.
Point of correct. I no want make you arrest them. I won't make you kill them.
Okay, I will kill them. If I arrest those boys, I will kill them. Will that make you happy? Yes. Now smile. Hey, you see, this is your friend. You see me when I would... If I can carry this kind of gun to go and rape you for them, yes, I'm serious. Brighten up your face. I will kill those boys. For you, I told you I can kill for you. And I'm going to kill for you.
Soldier never die. You know the tire lie. It's strong kakaraka. You know the fear face. For who, for where? Oh soldier know the fear. Oh soldier never die. You know the tire lie. It's strong kakaraka. You know the fear face. For who, for where? Soldier, know the fear.
Very frank with you. Because the thing is agitating my mind. As it is now, I am very, very agitated. There is nobody who will do that kind of thing to me and go free. I must punish them for that crime. I am Sergeant Wilberforce, for goodness sake. Of a different Biafran army.
Oga Wilberforce, how you take see those children?
Relax. I was an OP during the Civil War, and I know how to do my observation. When I'm on my observation, I was one of the best. I'm best sniper. So when I set my foot to do something, I do it very well. See those boys? I must take my pound of flesh, whether they like it. And I was the best sniper. Don't worry. Those boys.
My sergeant, if you no deal with those useless boys, me, I will teach you lesson.
I have told you not to threaten me. Because I'm more agitated than you are. Okay. Is it not me? Is it not Sergeant Wilberforce? You are threatening me. I have told you, when I get those boys, I will do everything to your satisfaction. So let's go. Katanejiji. It's not boys up.
Stop there.
Officer, please.
Shut up. Come on.
Your holidays are over.
You didn't do anything now.
Ahead. Position those urchins. Position those targets.
No. The law does not allow that.
The law.
That is taking the law into your hand.
Who are you to tell me about the law? If you know what they have done to me, these two urchins. By the way, let me introduce myself properly. I am Sergeant Wilberforce of 378 Artillery Brigade of the defunct Biafran Army. So don't tell me about the law. Because I know the law. What I will do? Position this boy.
Okay. Do you have the license of that gun you are holding?
You know they for our house. You know they for our house.
Shut up!
Okay? You're under arrest for this gun.
I'm under.
You're under arrest.
Are you on drugs? Or are you drunk? Did you go to police college?
Yes.
You went to police college. I'm sure it must be an inferior police college. So they taught you in that police college that everybody you see that's handling any object, you arrest the person without questioning who the person is.
This is not instrument. This is a gun.
Well,
it's not permitted.
Well, Oga, sir, we are not here for you. Let's settle this one first and we'll come back for you.
Come back for me with the button.
Let's go.
Soldier never die. You know the tire lie. Be strong, kakaraka. You know the fear face. For who, for where? Oh, soldier, know the fear. Oh, soldier never die. You know the tire lie. Be strong, kakaraka. You know the fear face. For who?